attention. Filime igiye kujivaho hajya hindi mpaka murambiwe. None muzahite munandabura ni murambirwa mbere kutundi tungo njamo. Tenigira nko kuba umunyamakuru kuri YouTube cyangwa nje na Nzovu tujyane muri kariyeri. Sinzi igihe amajoro yanjye yatangiye kungora. Ndetse sinyibuka igitondo cyanjye kuva cyanjabuka. Hari ubu ni ubusobanuro bw'ibiba bigomba kuba ku muntu yakinnye n'ibintu. Ibi binguma mu mutwe. Ibi byangumye mu mutwe. Okay, dutangira filime bise ngo iki? Cleaner, the cleaner cyangwa se umupuranto kanyesuku. Ukora isuku. Gasane films.com mwishyura abonema. Once again ubu tugiye kurya show. Simubizi siyo ngeze mu bihe byanjye utuntu nkora. Ati mbwire se nijya gufungiye inkweto. Lace you up. Just watch you run away. Mbwira nimba ari njye wagufungiye inkweto ujya kwiruka ngo unsige. Byose yaba ari njye wabiteye. Ati mbwira, tell me who? Inde usigaye uha igihe cyanjye. Bya bindi byahoze ari ibyanjye. Ese umwigisha twa tuntu nakwigisha. Basi ntuzamwite ka kazina wanyita. Sinshaka no kubitekerezaho kubera ko iyo mbitekereje biranje na bikansubiza hasi. Okay. Ati ninde uri kubona byose byanjye ubu ninde usigaye biha mukobwa? Ninde wabyeguriye? Iki kiririmbo ni ngombwa. Is it necessary? Cyangwa twirire show. Quiver distribution. Kwivure. Suko dutangiye filime. Gake bucice mu gace. Filime niyo yaba ari mbi ndabizi musigaye. Gaheza yakoze. Quality films. Quality ubundi ni ubwoko bwa keyboard. Ahantu muri gukoresha mudasobwa itureba kuri keyboard y'imashini yawe urahita ubona ahantu handitse quality. Nizo nyuguti za mbere zibanza. Akaba n'indi bita azality. Nzajya mbabwira utuntu umwe ni y'Igifaransa indi ni y'Icyongereza. Dutangiye filime gute? Bon. Let's bounce to the show. Quality films and Anthony production. Gaheza Simba. Agasane films.com. Tangire hakuno. Hakuno mu rugo byari byabaye imiserero sinzi. Ntago ari amakosa yanjye. Ni amakosa ye. Ese uri kunyumva cyane umugore n'umugabo bari guserera hano. Kwereka mu kindi cyumba arakana gato yagahari kagakobwa do. Bari gushwana nimba bari gupfa ibiki. Kwereka hakuno. Kana kagakobwa kari hano. Se ngo gafite kandi gasaza kako. Nimba ari ikintu nashaka muri inzu ni Michael. Ntago ibyo bintu wabikora bari gushwana. Kana bisa nk'ari umugabo ari gukubita umwana w'umuhungu ariko mama wakaza gukiza umwana ni imiserero. Kandi kana kagakobwa kari mu gikoni hano kishyire muto ekuteri karipoera kaba kazenguruka kari bukurira ahantu do kagendera hejuru y'ibintu. Hana kashize muto ekuteri mu rwane n'undi ngo ushaka abanzi babiri yivanga hagati y'umugore n'umugabo. Cyonde nabimenye umurara wanje bita Kapo Kirimbuzi aje kungisha inama ngo uriya mukobwa arananiye ndanga yatandukana nawe. Nimba umuntu atagwaye amahoro utandukana nawe. Buke mbona basubiranye muzi ngo ya postinze biki kuri statie. Ngo nta ngunzu yaduteranya shu. Nta ngegera yaduteranya baye ingegera. Cleaner. Cyangwa se ukora isuku kanyesuku mu pranto. Barakwereka biriya bimaze kuba haciye imyaka 20 tubonye uriya mugore n'umugabo bari guserera, umwana nawe ajya kwicara mu idirishya ry'ahantu ku nzu ndende kuri etaje. Hakuno haciye imyaka 20, urumva wari umwana yarakuze. Uwo muntu yamunabunyura gake gake. Hakuno uri hano telefone alamu yagiye marisinzire y'abantu bizaco byagaciro n'ubundi byose kimwe. Telefone yongera yasona ariko kangukiye hejuru kureba bisa nk'amasaha yamufashe mu gitondo byutse atarwiyambitse. Kana gato k'agakobwa bisa nk'ari k'agakobwa twabonaga kakiri akana gato yatwarakabonye kera hakuno gafite zagara parapara. Suka hano nimba ari icyayi nimba ari ikawa ya ninjoro ashyira muri microonde aza kuri toast abanza toasting utugati. Hakuno wari uri kumuha message bita delicate wakererewe. Hakuno aza kwiborosa masaha mu gitondo yibuka ko yasize imigati muri toaster. Garuka hakuno kujyana imigati yashiririye. Kana gato k'agakobwa gafite zagara sinzi kujyano nibagiye ikira gasubira inyuma umenye kibagiye konace kumbe kibagiye agafone do Diego.
Right now I'm late for work. Can I come in later?
Aka kanya nakererewe akazi wareka nkaza kuza nyuma.
Okay.
Sawa. Hakuno.
Okay.
Sawa.
I'll be there.
Ndaje ntari Kigali we. Za hakuno kuri moto mfite moto nziza kabisa. Fata umuhanda.
I can't believe I'm hearing this.
Sinakwizera ko ndi kumva ibintu. Uri serious? Ari seriera?
Joke.
Ibi ni imikino.
I think the key issue here is accountability.
Cyenda cyeka ikibazo kiri hano we ntago uri kucyumva muko. Ni cya kibazo cyo kutizera umuntu no kutamwishingikiriza.
Your brother
Umuvandimwe
is in
wawe
clear breach of our code of conduct.
yamaze kurenga ku mategeko hano dukorera.
No choice but to terminate his
Nta
placement
yandi mahitamo dufitanye nawe
here immediately.
usibye gushaka ukuntu tumusimbuza nyine tukamwirukana akagenda.
Good. That's really good.
I
Byiza.
appreciate that you're upset.
Wenda ndashimira ko arakaye.
Excuse me?
Nyonganye mvuze
Do you need to get that?
No.
byari ngombwa ngo iyo phone yitabe se hojya.
Let's just calm down.
Banzo tuze mukuru.
Calm down.
Je ntuze.
I am wary of his triggers. I'm purely looking out for Michael.
No, you're not. This
Impamvu ndi kwigira gutya nuko nitaye kuri Michael ndi no kumureba.
is what the 7th,
Harya hano byari mu wa karindwi.
8th placement to have fallen through.
9th. It's the 9th
Iyi ni
placement.
inshuro ya munani, ni iya munani inshuro ya munani.
9th.
Inshuro ya munani.
Rose House, Clinton House,
Bwa mbere byari kwa Rosa, bwa kabiri kwa Clinton,
Thomas Lodge.
Yes, 9th.
kwa Thompson. Iyi ni iya munani.
Bain, Rose House again, Council twice.
Umwana mubwira ibintu byose ahantu bagiye bamwirukana.
Thanks, Michael.
Lantern,
Urakoze, Michael.
and here. That makes 9.
Thank you.
Hano ni inshuro ya munani ahubwo narimbaze nabi.
Someone stole confidential care home account information
Hari
and
umuntu watwibye amakuru
leaked it to the local press.
arangije yahereza
I know
abanyamakuru.
that was Michael. Where's the proof?
Ntago muzi neza nimba ari Michael ariko hari ikimenyetso
The
mufite.
first time your brother had bypassed our online security.
Ntago ari bwo bwa mbere rega umuvandimwe wa bypassinze online security zacu amapassword n'ibiki.
It could have been anyone.
Yaba ari n'undi
And
muntu.
actually, if you hadn't been stealing from people you're supposed to be looking after,
Kandi iyo mutaza kuba mwiba abantu mwakabaye
maybe
mwitaho.
there'd be nothing for anyone to leak.
Nta kimenyetso cyari kuba kiri hano yari gutanga
It
n'ubundi.
is a criminal matter. Your brother's
Ariko n'ubundi yatwinjiriye n'icyaha.
lucky we're not pressing charges for data theft.
Ahubwo umuvandimwe washimira Imana ko tutumusaza dushimira Imana ko tutari kujya kumurega ko yatwibye
All
amakuru.
money from him, and now you're kicking him out.
We mwamwibye amafaranga ye none mutangiye kumwirukana.
Well, it sounds like Michael would be better off living with you.
100%.
Michael, si byiza ko hano nawe ijana ku
We
ijana.
have no choice.
Nta yandi mahitamo dufite.
Placement here is no longer tenable.
Hano ntago tukiri kuganira kuko batugiye
Michael
kumusimbuza.
needs to leave
Mike akeneye kuvana akagenda. Nta yandi mahitamo.
now.
Uyu munsi kandi nuna. Byiza cyane.
Look, I don't even
We
have
mfite akazi
time
mwana.
to get your things.
What
Nta
for?
n'igihe mfite cyo gutwara ibintu byawe.
Put them on.
Turaza kubiboherereza. Nave hano mu gindi. Turaza kubyohereza. Hey! Si Kigali we. Ababaye. Kijeho. Michael,
You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
muraza kuvugana n'umwavoka wanjye.
Like you have a lawyer.
Like you have a lawyer, wajya hari uwugira.
Doesn't know that.
Ariko ntabyo azi ko nawe ngira. Kobwa nawe bari kumuhamagara ku kazi.
Derek,
Derek.
just about to call.
Nari ngiye kuguhamagara.
Full of shit.
Wakererewe.
Spoken about this, Joey.
Ibi twabiganireho Joe.
Technically, I'm not that late.
Ntago ndakererwa ariko technically.
Technically, you're sad.
Technically ahubwo uriruka. Ojya.
Derek, it was a family emergency.
Cyari ikibazo cya famille.
Please, I cannot lose this job. I
Urabizi
swear.
sinabura aka kazi mwana.
I'll be there by.
Ndakurahirira ko ngiye kujyana.
Here. by 2.
ugere hano mu minota itarenze 2. Minota itarenze 2. Nimba ari 2, nimba ari ingahe? Hakuno yasohotse yirukanka.
So,
None se,
Well-
munsi yari umeze gute?
First, my boss was being a
please don't swear.
bad word because I was
Ndakurahira umwana wirahira ndakuri.
late. Then I got a call to come and get you. And because my boss is a bad word, if I'm not in by 2, the bad
Boss wanje aza hakuno ku kimoto ciwe
great. You?
akanda demarera
Let's
ikiranga.
leave my sister.
Je nshimishijwe no kuba ndi kumwe na mushiki we.
Oh, please don't swear.
Ariko nturahire ndakwinjiza. Kigali we, moto yaranze bakizwa n'amaguru n'umusaza na mushikido. Mu muhanda musaza agenda n'uruntu rw'urunyundo nka rumwe rwa toru baza muri bisi. Moto y'umukobwa iranze.
Have the care home account and leave them?
Ese byari ngombwa kubinjiriraho ukajya kubataburiza.
Dean Cross.
Yeah, I am. With the care home and those wankers for stealing your allowance.
Joanna!
Iya ni care home bagombaga kukwitaho kwa kundi nk'umuntu nyine bafata nk'umuntu bakamujyana ahantu bakajya bamwitaho edale koronike cyangwa se afite ikindi kibazo cy'uburwayi cyangwa iki.
They have to face justice.
They
Bariya
do.
bajinga bagomba guhura n'ubutabera batwibye amafaranga yacu leta idutangira.
Just not sure they will. It's not how the world works.
Ariko ntago ari uko isi ikora mwana.
That's why I'll be a crusader for the truth.
Niyo mpamvu ugiye nshaka kuba umuntu urwanira
Like
ukuri
Piers
croissant.
Morgan.
Nka Piers
Piers
Morgan.
Morgan is an attention-seeking the
Piers Morgan ni umuntu ushaka ko abantu bamwita isi yose ikamwitaho. Mwana.
Piers Morgan wouldn't have gotten the wrong bus.
Piers Morgan rero yaba ariwe ntiyari kujya kuri bisi yibeshyeho. Twe tugiye mu mujyi uteze bisi ijya mu Gatsata. Aha! Arongera asohoka yirukanka umukobwa afite zagara shaho. Bajya mu yindi bisi.
Swearing.
Ndakwinginze ntiwongere kurahira.
I'm sorry.
Nakubwiye ngo ubabarire mwana. Hakuno boss ari kumuhamagara. Gera hano vuba cyangwa se mwiruka. Sikiga kigoryi arirukanka va muri bisi imwe. Hagarara.
Oh, my charger. I left
Nibagiye sharijeri.
my charger.
Nibagiye sharijeri yanjye.
Later.
Turaza gushaka.
Understand?
Ntabwo ubyumva mwana.
Son fucking
My
understand?
fault.
Telefone yanjye igezemo
My
karindwi.
fucking charger!
Nibagiye sharijeri yanjye sister nibagiye sharijeri.
Michael.
Michael umusore afite ikibazo cyo gupanika Michael.
Don't.
Michael, do you need a squeeze?
Ukeneye kumfata mu kiganza sibyo? Cyangwa se ukamobera. You need to squeeze. Ha dufata umuntu ugasa nk'umukanda mu kiganza cyangwa kumobera. Babarire mwana. Ndabizi. Babarire. Nanjye mbabarire mwana. Hakuno. Rebe. Turacyari mu kajiji kamwe. Ako kajiji kamwe ko turimo.
When are we going home?
Turaza
We'll
gutarya.
have to hang here till I finish at 6.
Ugomba kuguma hano mpaka igenda arangiriza akazi
6. That's too
nko
long.
mu masaha 10. 6 harya ni saa 10 cyangwa ni saa 12. Nambwira. 6 ni saa.
Wait,
Saa 12 sha.
extended edition.
Akantu nababeshi ubwo mise nkumva. Hakuno.
Minutes, come on.
Cyafite indi minota 5 mwana. Dore nzagiye kuzamuka do. Jano mukazazanye na musaza w'umusaza ahantu bamwitagaho. Do. Bamwita Michael. Ikintu cy'ikinyundo hano. Aganian Energy company umukobwa akoramo. Ibuke filime bayise umukiri n'umupurante umuntu ukora isuku. Kanyesuku.
Keep an eye on you. He'll make sure you're okay.
Big Lonnie arakomeza gucunga.
Michael?
Mezete Michael.
Does he know I'm autistic?
Arabizi ko ndi autistic.
He knows.
Nigirira ikibazo mu bwonko. Arabizi.
Oh, it'll be fine.
Does
Ni
he
umwana mwiza nta
have a
kibazo.
charger?
Afite sharijeri.
Allowing for you, mate.
Naza kubigufasha mwana umusa. Musangira ngendo.
Juba.
Okay. N'igikapu cyaraba kigucungira. Ndaje gato.
A lot of people. It's busy.
Mwana kumbo hano hari abantu benshi abantu bose.
Tonight, we're
Munsi
not
hari ikintu.
invited and you hate parties.
Ntabwo badutumiye n'ubundi wanga ibirori.
Just come with you.
Waretse tukajyana mwana.
Get me a job here.
Wanshakira
You
akazi
don't
hano.
work here, my boss is a dicks.
We ntabwo wakora hano boss wanjye ni
You
ikigori.
do.
Outside the
Ariko
building.
nawe uri ikigori.
Away from the dicks.
We tuze kwivuganira hanze y'iyi nzu.
I'll be back
Ndaje.
Am I staying with you?
until we find a new
Urwara undi muntu mubana.
placement.
I don't
Turaza gushaka undi ahandi turi bwimukire.
like replacements.
Ciye ntabwo nkunda kwimuka.
I have to go.
It's always.
Ikambe ngiye mwana tuze kubiganira nyuma.
Right.
Siko bihora se sohora ugenda. Iki?
How long?
Uramara igihe
To
kingana.
go. Stay with Big Ron.
Reka mbe ngiye ugumane n'uriya mugabo Big Lon. Reka mbe ngiye. Mushiki wagiye mu kazi musaza gume hano hasi. Filime si uko tuyitangiye. Kobwa mfite zagara. Jano muri elevator muri esanseri. Je mu kazi. Sinzi icyo akora umenya ari umupuranta. Ebe.
It's all set. 1800 hours.
Byose biratunganyije.
As guests arrive, cocktails begin. 18.
Saa munani n'iminota nka saa munani na imini saa 12 zuzuye abantu baraba baje hano.
20 Jeffrey to
Saa
give
munani na 20 Jeffrey
brief shareholder speech.
araza gutanga speech ku banyamigabane.
1821.
Ni iminota nka 30.
Will to live expires.
Uye uze kuyitanga speech irata nka saa 12 na 21 n'ubundi ratarasa.
To flag, there will be live performers before and after.
Haraza kuza n'abantu ba performing live ikimansuro.
Circus are like crap, isn't it?
Make sure ibintu uyu munsi ndumva ari ubugoryi.
For a fucking
Umenye neza ko baduhaye.
Meter exclusions out.
The theme is divine renewal.
I really don't give a shit.
Cye nako byitayo. Abagabo babiri hano. Gerard we, meze neza?
Come fucking dipping.
Ndakeka hano ntago meze neza hakuno. Weza uduki. So come on. Ndi waje. Wambaye nk'abakora isuku hano. Ebe.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, Christ.
Breathe in.
Injiza umwuka.
You better not fucking drop now.
Mubyarire hano. Kuko wakabaye uri mu rugo.
Maybe if you paid proper maternity leave, she would be.
Mubaye mwishyura ka vacancy k'umugore ajya kubyara mukamwishyura neza sugira ngo yaba ari hano boss nimwe muhemba nabi. Iki? Umukobwa akatira boss. No. Ninja we.
Una parte de mí deseaba que diera salud sobre eso.
Ubundi wowe wakamubyariye nko kubirenge uriya mujinga ntabwo bita ku bagore batwite ubundi abagore batwite hari igihe kigera leta ikabibahaye akaruhuko ikavuga iti mugende bayita paid vacation leave. Ka karuhuko nyine ufata ugiye kubyara ariko ukabona hembwa.
Seguramente te obligaría
Wamaze kubona umukubuzo n'ubundi
a limpiarlo.
wamaze gukora amasuku yego. Okay.
Adiós.
Bye bye. Ako n'umukobwa ari hano muri Eliveta. Umukobwa gafite zagarasinzi. Gerano muri ofisi.
17 seconds.
Amasegonda 17.
I made it.
Bikoze nago nyerere.
We need to have a chat about your attitude.
Dukeneye kuganira ku mico yawe Joe.
No wonder the army kicked you out.
Love to. Got to get to work.
Mwana ngiye nkunda kujya mu
Can
kazi.
be unreal.
Ndabizi boss wanjye n'uburyo mu gatafari.
Love you too. You still owe me an hour at least.
What?
Akura bizi ku kindi mu mwenda w'isaha.
I'll
Kuki?
go on. You
Nayo
can
ndayongera.
start with a bird strike.
Banza utangirire hahana inyoni yagonze.
Level
Kuki?
51.
Ni kuri level ya 51
F51.
pano ya F51
P118.
P118
Should be properly baked on by now.
That's borderline harassment.
Enjoy.
Genda shaja mu kazi jya mu kazi genda. Kobwa amubwiye ahantu agiye kujya gukora ngo ni kuri level ya 51 pano ya kanga ya 51 P118 sahakuno. Kobwa bisa nkaho akora isuku ariko yoza ibirahure b'abantu buzi ibirahure ku mazu maremare cyane. Hakuno aza mu kaloka kiwe rebe mbere ya mbere kobwa ahita ajya ku mugozi amanuka aze gukora isuku ngano kuri level ya 51 ahantu inyoni yagonze ibibira aya mazu maremare urukundo inyoni za yaho bagika yisekuro gasanga hasigaye amaraso cyangwa iki je mu masuku hakuno debe gukora amasuku nyine muri aya mazu maremare kiraho hari undi wamanutse ntabwo aba ari we wenyine ukora amasuku nyine. Waje hano. Oh.
Mr. Bit.
Kano kantu kari kakuja. We ntabwo bisekeje hano.
Not even coming in today.
Nari nzi ko uyu munsi utari buze mu
It's almost done.
I had to sort
abandi twe tugiye kugasoza. Hari ibintu nagombaga gukemura mwana.
They kicked Michael out of his care home.
Michael bamwirukanye aho bamwitaga muri care home yiwe. Afite ikibazo cyo mu bwonko, afite ikibazo Michael ku buryo nyine abakeneye umuntu umuba hafi arapanika karakara.
He hacked their records, accused them of stealing
Yarabahakinze.
money.
Abashinza ko biba amafaranga y'abantu bashinzwe kwitaho.
So yeah, it's a shit show.
Nyine ni ibintu biraho utamenya.
Captain Klein screwed.
Shit, I'm so sorry.
Boss wanje nawe yari ari kunsakuriza.
Sorry, man. How's he doing?
He's
Michael sameza.
all right.
Bameze neza. Okay.
He's downstairs.
Ari hasi mwana.
You brought him here?
Wamuzanye hano mu kazi.
Fired. It's cool. He's with Big Ron.
byari uko byari kugenda bitaba byo nkirukana gusa ameze neza kumbe Michael hano Michael kira ngo agakaho buri kunywa sha Michael telefone yanjye wayicaginze cyangwa uretse gato ndaje Bonsano we hakuna abantu bose baba bari gupanika bashyushye Michael aracunga abona umusekirite aho bagiye filime witonze Jennifer
Cleaner in the lift.
uriya mukirina uriya mupranto wari uri muri esantere hari harimo babiri
The
udatwite
cleaner.
ka kandi gafite ubuntu bw'ubuntu twamenye ntabwo twamwirukana kuko yakubwiye nabi boss niba ari ibyo uri kudusaba ndaza kumuhamagara line manager wiwe bikuri ariko ntabwo twamwirukana byiza kubujana je ibintu ndabyanga aba boss babiri hano
You could possibly find it within yourself to soldier through. Fine. And smile.
wowe ugenda useka nta kindi
Good to see you.
byiza nkanya kubona
You're looking well.
Gerard ndabona usa neza
Shall we do this?
ibi tubikore yego tubikore
I'll tee up. You play off. Nothing too taxing, I promise.
ntabwo ibintu biri buze kuzamba ndabasezeranya nta bintu byinshi birenze byiza
Absolutely.
byiza nyine byiza ni muri Agnian Energy Company hano igabanya ibintu byangiza ikirere
With me are Jeffrey and Gerald Milton,
uyu munsi twakiriye Jeffrey na Gerald Wilton
owners and CEOs of Agnian
ni nyiri company na CEO
Energy.
wa Agnian Energy
Thank you for joining me.
mwakoze kumbakira uyu munsi
Absolutely.
byiza baje muri interview kuri YouTube channel kuri ya channel ya Rujama
But there is a great deal of uncertainty in the energy markets right now.
aka kanya hari ikibazo cy'uburyo imbaraga zangiza ikirere zikomeje gusorwa hirya no hino
Agnian is riding high. You
kampani yanyu ikomeje
have
kuzamuka
your shareholder gala this evening to
kandi
celebrate.
umunsi mufite ikirori cyo kwakira abashyitsi aba shareholders abanyamigabane muri kampani yanyu umunsi
I'm
mugoroba
doing right.
ubundi ni iki gituma kampani yanyu ikomeza gukunda
And we see meeting the world's energy needs as a privilege
twe tubona iki isi ikeneye
and a duty.
tukabifata nk'inshingano zacu
Absolutely.
byiza
Depend on energy, but it has to be provided sustainably
abantu amamiliyoni n'amamiliyoni bishingikiriza imbaraga nk'amashanyarazi cyangwa iki
and responsibly. Absolutely.
ariko mu kubikora bikangiza ikirere nibyo twe dukemura
My
cyane
brother
rwose
and everyone here at Agni
yewe n'umuvandimwe wanjye n'abandi bantu bose bari
are passionate about cleaner strategies
tuba dushaka gukora ibintu bisukuye
for a cleaner future.
tukazagira n'ahazaza hasukuye h'iyi si yacu tutangije ikirere cyiza cyane hano hari uvuga mwana ndaje yebe akunda agarutse hano babura Michael bamushinze Michael agiye hakuna abantu bashyushye umunsi kuri kampani baraza kwakira abashyitsi b'abanyamigabane do uhereze mwana wenda
Oh, shit.
mwana
The bird strike on 51. Derek
wari inyoni yagonze kuri 51
wants you to clean it.
Derek arashaka kujya kuhakora kandi n'aka gakobwa yabwiye
Just forgot to tell
yibagiye
me.
kubimbwira
You did?
yabikubwiye
So I'm telling you now.
niba atanabikubwiye ndabikubwiye
51.
werekera umwana kuri 51
Embarrassing yourself.
umwana uri kwiyandagaza rekeraho niwe babibwiye je
This job.
Not
idagwaye aka
so I could do yours.
nuwakama wese ntiyambwiye ngo njye nkora naka
I'll get to it later.
zandaza kujya kuyikorera mwana
Agni believes in reducing emissions, not out.
agari aritwizera mu kugabanya ibintu byangiza ikirere emissions
We believe in action, not pledges.
twe twizerera mu bikorwa apana ibintu biri aho gusa
To renewable energy is
twe
not
twizera muri renewable energy dore ibintu bakora du
the path we walk.
So what do you
kubera
think?
ko iyi si niyo nzira tugendamo buri munsi utekereza
Jesus Christ, how much did that cost?
ni kwibaza ngo Yesu Kristo biriya bintu byasabye amafaranga gahe
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
dore namwe bagabana baza gucekinga sound bataza kwakira abashyitsi kabi ibibazo
I'll get that fixed.
reka biriya nabyo mbikemure muri kwitegura ikirori kiri buze kuba nimugoroba
Join us in our shared journey towards a brighter.
Agania energy fuel your life with the green and what ntabwo mbibonye neza hakuno uri gukora isuku hano abakora amasuku baba bayakora rebe
Now who's slacking?
ubuse ninde uri gukina
Enjoy these moments, Joey.
Joey ntabwo ujya uryoherwa n'ibi bintu tuba turi gukora
It's
mwana
a fleeting thing.
ubundi abantu ni babi pe bangiza ibintu
No flesh is grass.
Thanks, Buddha.
ibyatsi byose biba biri fresh. Urakoze Buddha we kwivugishwa nawe udakunda abantu ba mu kigali.
Just like fucking ants. Just
Reba ukuntu tumeze hano mwana, tumeze nk'ibimonyo ants imiswa.
wonder what it was like before we were here.
Ese ujya wibaza ukuntu byari bimeze mbere yuko abantu tugera hano ku isi. Mwana uri hayi.
Derek.
No, yego Derek.
Okay.
Nawe gira vuba uje gukora amasuku kuri ruriya ruhande bari bwakirimo abashyitsi, okay?
No, listen, I don't know how you
Iyi
make
nzu yose tugomba kuyikoramo
it to
amasuku.
the day, mate. You're an inspiration to all of us, D. Genuinely. Yeah.
Sawa.
Okay. Derek says turn your earpiece on. He knows it's not broken.
Derek aravuze ngo mwumve kuri ekuteri wambaye ntago
Not
yapfa.
like that.
Derek?
Derek sheri.
And Milton in the lift.
He was being a dick.
Watutse Milton boss muri essence. Yarari kwigira Dick ni mari.
You get to be a dick.
We nawe iyi nzu ibaye ari iyawe niko wakwitwarire.
Clean the fucking bird.
We genda ukore hahandi inyoni yagonze kandi winsaza.
I'm done.
Sawa.
Good one, yeah? Oh, listen,
Come on.
I hope it's all okay with Michael. Seriously.
Nizere ko Mike ibintu byo bimeze neza musaza.
I mean, I know you know that, but
Uze kumwitaho. Uze n'ikindi.
maybe take him somewhere nice after you knock off.
Will do, Dad.
Uze ushanga ikindi kintu mwamujyanamo n'uvano.
Yeah, Joey.
Yego papa wanjye. Sawa Joey. Tuze kongera duhuze nyuma. Hakuno. Ikindi cyabaye zamuka hejuru hano bari gupanga ikirori baraza kwakira abashyitsi b'imena cyane cyane b'abanyamigabane.
Important people.
Uyu munsi haraza abantu b'ingenzi. Mumenye neza ko mubakire neza. Hebe. Ekeya.
It's our value.
Boss ari gushyiramo utuntu tw'udu.
Agnia.
Kokayine harya niyo bitera niyo bahumeka mu mazuru. Ntabwo nzi ko bitandukanye ariko mujye mu hakuno abakora amasuku bo baracyakomeje kuyakora umukobwa. Hari ahantu inyoni yagonze baherekare bamubwira ngo ajye gukorana n'uwo yanze kujya kuhakora. Ebe. Ngeze hano inzu ibituyemo n'abantu we abona musaza hejuru.
You can't be up here, Michael. You're
Michael ntabwo akabaye aramwirukanisha ikibazo cyo
be sacked. Go down.
uratuma banyirukana mwana.
2 minutes.
Manuka hasi ndaje mu minota ibiri.
Go home.
Njye nshaka
In
gutaha.
the lift and go down.
Jya muri esanseri umanuka.
Can't tell me what to do.
Ntabwo wambwira icyo
Yes, I
gukora.
can.
Ntakikubwira.
Down.
Off!
I don't
Kigali we.
need this shit.
Iyi mikino nayo nshaka.
You, Joanna!
Joanna
Fuck you.
nawe fuck you.
Well, then,
Ngawe kubita semeni ikirahuri.
you go and come back.
Away from you!
Ugiye wundi ugiye kure yawe. Ugiye kure yawe.
Fuck.
Kigali we. Hakuno. Ufite musaza bisa nkaho umusaza we.
It's
Uburwayi bwo mu mutwe ntago ameze fresh.
done. I'm coming up.
Ndarangije ndaje mwana.
Nice try.
Wari ugerageje.
Get in.
I'll take you there.
But you're not.
Jabaho ngaho muri iyo scaffolding ujyane. Suspended scaffolding. Abantu mwize construction mwamunyo.
Blocking off.
Derek,
Ibikwa biba bidafite ahantu bifashe nyine biri suspended. Zabikwa bimura cyaba moving iki n'iki. Harya types of scaffolding nibuka nizewe.
got something I have.
Suspended. Two-legged n'ibiki. Ah. Shako maze kubyibagirwa si Kigali we. Nze nongere nsubire muri kariyeri. Kubita hakuno. Kobwa bamujyana hano mu gikwa. Bamujyane aje gukora isuku aho yagombaga gukora amasuku. Ebe. Kigali we.
Rick with his finger on the override.
Sunyise Prince ni njyewe ugiye kugutwara ibyo wigira byose ninjye kujyana gukora amasuku. Hakuno. Ebe.
But it's our values. It's Agnian value.
Jeffrey,
Geoffrey.
Erica.
Erika.
so my video is going down a storm.
Abonye video zanjye ko ziri gutwika.
Oscar worthy.
Ukwiriye Oscar award.
I want much more than that.
Je nshaka ibirenze Oscar.
Really?
Koko.
Say, VP of Brand Strategy.
Vuga VP on brand strategy.
No doubt you're to blame for inflicting the shit to Soleil on us.
Ako komba mbona ugenda utuvugaho ibintu bibi.
It's Du Soleil, Jeffrey.
Bavuga Du Soleil Geoffrey.
You think I care?
urakeka mbyiteho siko ugenda udusebya ngo twangize idukikije n'iki
Killed is Gerald.
Gerard ari he?
Last seen Dre humping Alison Pope.
bwa mbere ubwo umuganya ubwo wamubona yari ari kwitereteshwa Harrison Pope. Harrison Pope
From Morgan.
wo kwa Morgan
Don't erupt, but the performers are going to be late.
Tell us.
kandi wijya kubavangira mbere yuko aba performinga nabo bagera
Jesus.
Kigali we hakuno yaje gukora amasuku hamwe inyoni yagonze ikapfira do Dele kuriya mukinga je kwikorera amasuku hano ni umukina w'ibirahuri izina rya filime bahise ngo cleaner cyangwa se pura toyanyere hano gatoya ari habuze dori ponje do ihabutse hejuru kure cyane nayo irakubabaza Kigali we ponje yakubise umugenzi hano do ponje hano akubise umugenzi ukanya Rivani yaje itiparika hano filime witonze ubundi filime buri yari itaratangira mama we havamo abagabo bambaye gutyo bitandiye bagize gute bipambye do ko ibintu by'ibimaske bambaye ibintu by'ibigunira utamenya bambaye nk'abavuye muri dojo.
Okay, done. Get me up, Derek.
nasoje ngaho nzamura Derek
Derek?
Wamuginga
Going for a slash. Back and
ari
forth.
utuntu nari ngiyemo ndagaruka nko mu minota 5 cyangwa 10
Just get me up.
zamura ibyo uzamura muginge zamura bene wanyu sawa zamura hano ebe abari inzu ndende shaho
Where the fuck have you been? And don't
mwari muri he
forget GPS.
nimumbwire ko ambutiyaje ariyo yabafashe mwari mufite GPS nabareba
So you'll have to wait. But get in there and show face.
ndaje mbinjizemo mu kanya muje guperforminga ibyo mu performing bombi nabaje kuryoshya show ni cya kimansuro kuba mu gihugu cya Uganda kwa kabebe Peacemaker ni uje umbwira ngo tujye kwa kabebe Peacemaker kwa kabebe habera iki ngo ye tugende nkwereke tuntu tuba kwa kabebe nimba ari simbizi cheers mwana tumwe mu hakuno abaje guperforminga
Excuse me.
Angani hakuno buretse mutambuke boss mutambuke kigoryiwe idiot nikavuze nuko
Idiot.
kigoryiwe Ciao. Rebe. Ako sound muri kumva ivuga fresh ya cyangwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're very
Bagore namwe bagabo.
kind.
Muri abana beza kabisa.
Heard what I have to say yet?
Ariko ntago mwari mwumva ibyo ngiye kubabwira.
I'm not going to.
Ntabyo turi bwumva.
For what a year.
Rata ngwino nkwereka utuntu twigira.
Tell you just how good it's been. I suggest you hire new accountants.
Ibintu ngiye kubabwira nimba babwira ndaceka muri buze kuzana abanyamibare banyu bashyashya ba accountant. Ko tugiye kubona amafaranga hakuno bari kumuzamura no kureba boss we cya kigo ryatutse kare.
Jesus.
Derek nzamura wo kabya.
Problem is, Joey.
Ikibazo ngo ni ikihe Joe?
Did the prick with his finger on the override?
Ndi hano. Fire! Binja barasa! Barasa muri control room. Uyu imashini iri.
Derek.
Derek yo ntago ari imikino. Cyatazi. Hakuno bayivugisha gutyo abayise bakaba control room bahita banamanura
Doing?
gukora ibiki mwana igikwa cyamuzamuraga bahita bakimanura hakuno
You did not have to fucking kill them.
ntabwo byari ngombwa kubica none iki mugume ku mupangu abaje hano niba bazanywe n'iki bisa nkaho binjiranye comeka Maria agahari disk umukobwa mu kumanuka nawe
Stop dicking around.
we waretse kunyinisha wa mujinga shaka kujya kwirebera musaza we n'iki hakuno sinzi systeme babanje kujaminga
We are in.
twamaze kugeramo indani muhumure kabisa
Our values, Agnian
kubera ko indangagaciro zacu
values. Yes, we do have them.
nka Agniyani turazifite indangagaciro cyane
Ability, transparency, responsibility, trust, which drive
kutagira aho tubogamira
our mission.
gucisha ibintu mu buryo byiza cyane
Words, Geoffrey.
magambo meza Geoffrey we
Very inspiring.
n'amagambo inspiring atera abantu.
If only a single one of them was true.
Iyo mu magambo uvuze haba harimo n'ukuri na kumwe. Do ngiza nkwereke mwana do kubita hakuno kandi stili hano abaje bahita bambara utuntu ku munwa karabaye, bahita bambara utuntu ku munwa bafungura n'izindi kandi zitaziriya n'izindi kanete rebe zitangira kuvamo ibintu by'ibyuko utamenya. Uyu nawe imwe amaze gukubita hakurya ni Michael n'uwari ugiye kubomora do. Ahantu hose hari amakanete, hari amakanisita muri iyi nzu ari kuvamo ibyuka bari guhumeka do, bose bagwa hasi. Ubihumetse hasi undi ubihumetse hasi. Kureba hano umukobwa Joey abona abantu batangiye gusinzira mu nyubako ye. Umusaza wari mu nyubako imwe, umusaza ari muri iyi nyubako za hakuno kureba iyi ikibazo banza zirika gutya. Hano bari gufata uwo bashaka akaba ariwe bahereza umwuka. Hakuno nawe bamuhereza umwuka. Hakuno Michael arabanza araza afunga hano ahantu ari afunguye umwuka. Michael nubwo bavuga ngo afite ikibazo ariko kumba binjemo hano bazanye n'imbunda zirika ibyo bazirikana.
Fairy dust wears off. Bibbidi bobbidi bye bye.
Iyi nyubako yose turayifite abantu bose dore arabanza.
We are Earth Revolution.
Twe turi impindura amatwara y'isi.
Take over tonight will usher in a new dawn.
Tugiye gufatira ijoro turaryigaruriye kugira ngo tureme igitondo gishyashya.
If you play nice,
muraba mumeze neza nimwitwara neza.
I promise you will live to see it.
Namwe muzabaho mubona ibyo ngiye.
Scary.
Numva biteye ubwoba we.
And doors locked up.
Hakuno
All calls and comms jammed. No alarms.
Yarabanza jamming system zose zituma naho ziva muri inzu zijyanze cyane zigarukamo indani.
Our house now.
Ubu inzu ni yacu. Yari kuzamuka umukobwa arimo kuzamuka sinzi.
Greedy, needy,
sleazy,
selfish,
Orikunda,
naughty, deceitful,
umutubuzi,
cocky,
ikigoryi.
Short, where's Gropey?
Ako Grope ari he?
Geoffrey. Where's Gerald?
Geoffrey Gerard ari he?
Brother G.
Geoffrey Gerard ari he? Uvandimwe wawe ari he?
I only ask once.
Jembaza rimwe. Vuna gatoki cyewe. Ari muri 5-2-7 muri aparitema hejuru. Okay. Uzamuka kujya hano. Ubwo ko yakazamutse abona mu boss bari baserere kare. Ari winjiye. Umukobwa ari kubireba ari inyuma y'inzu ari kuri.
There we go.
Naye bamuhakuka banza umeke mu biboxa n'ibipantaro yaje kwibomorera. Ibyo yaje kubomora nawe biramubomoye. We.
Hands off Snakey. Oh, hey Barry. Let's go.
Vayo tugende.
Oh, steady now.
Haguruka hagarara webye. Uzana hakuno. Afitanye ikibazo n'uyu mukobwa aramubona.
What's that, Jerry?
Kibazo cy'Jerry. Gerard hano ari kuvuga tumukirina.
And there was me thinking that you never gave us a second look.
Nibazaga nimba akongera ukandeba. Kikari gwe umukobwa kureba. Wa musore bari kumwe ari gukora isuku ku birahuri. Uri gushimuta ababosi bekarabaye.
Who owns the building now, Jerry?
Jerry ubusinzi bayande kandi. Ongera undebe mu maso ubundi ubwire ngo inzu ni yande. Za hakuno. Zinikindi. Jya hano tugende. Bamushyira ku ngorofani bamucanaho. Umukobwa bireba ni Joey. Nibuke Joey muri inyubako harimo musaza we. Mwamfashije yaje asakuza ari nko kuri etage nk'iya 70 ingahe hamagara hasi ntago bakumva rebe Jean akomanya ibyo akomanya biranga sikigari we
We get a grip. Michael needs you.
Joe ibyigo canga Mike aragukeneye tuza
Joanna needs us.
Joanna aragukeneye Mike nawe ari kwibwirana Joanna mushicyo aragukeneye tekereza
Would Piers Morgan do?
Ali Piers Morgan yakora iki Piers Morgan rero uri modo w'uyu musore ntago mzibyiye ubwo ndimpe penya nzabarabura sema mwumva mwenzi ibintu byose manukano tera umugozi aramanuka manuka hasi rebe kuno bari gukusanya aho bakusanya isa nkaho bafite abo bari gushaka
Where do you want him?
Dum service mu mushaka hehe mu dropping
We're on the clock. Let's go.
we turi gukorera kujereka dutangira akazi Noah
Make him decent.
mwambike abe nk'abantu basanzwe bamukinga make him decent Marcus Blake
Cheers.
tunywemo inzu barayigaruriye
Duval Leroy. Very
Duval Leroy.
nice.
inzoga ni nziza
Let's have no hysterics, no heroic,
reka uyu munsi hatagira umuntu uzana ubwenge bwinshi cyangwa wigira intwari
no drama.
nta mikino
First
cyangwa
time people have tried to take money from us.
urakeka kuba aribwo bwa mbere abantu bashatse kutwambura amafaranga
Whatever you were hoping to steal.
hakuno kumanuka abona aho bashimutiye abakire bose
We don't want your money.
Cheka dushaka amafaranga yawe ntayo dushaka kibanza Hey!
We want to
ushaka
save
iki
the world.
twe dushaka gutabara isi ntago mbyumva hakuno
Oh, I love this Friends of the Earth stuff.
je nkunda ibi bintu wivugishwa ngo uri inshuti y'isi Aginian Energy Company
The Green Way. Jesus Christ. See?
reba ariko hano zibanza ubereke sha kanda hano
Believes in reducing emissions, not out
reba ibinyanda mwirwa mumena mu nyanja
in action.
twe twizera mu bikorwa
Pledges.
ntabwo twizera mu bintu
Our commitment to
hakuno arabanza mwereka ibintu birwa bamena mu nyanja ibiremwa biri kwangirika mwe mwarangiza mukaza hano mwigiza abana beza
and we want you.
iyi si niyo nzira tugendamo buri munsi dore imyanda mwirwa mumena hirya no hino
Doesn't look like friendship to me, Jeffrey boy.
Geoffrey ngende kubona biriya bintu atari inshuti yanjye
I mean, do friends plunder, choke, and rape?
No,
ibi ntaho bitandukaniye no gufata abantu ku ngufu
we
Noah
can't do this without them. Let him go.
ibi ntago twabikora tutabafite bareke bagende mureke wenyine
I said let him go.
bavuze ngo mureke ariko Noah anafite imijinya utamenya
Forgive him. He gets a little
uraza kumubabarira arakara vuba nyine ubwo wirinde karaka
right.
Sibyo.
This is Laguna Terracoa.
aha bahita muri Laguna Telco
Because Agnion has been dumping billions
uzi
of
impamvu muhazi nuko Agnian Company yanyu
gallons of waste there.
imaze igihe kinini hajugunya amagaro n'amagaro amatoni y'imyanda
Entire ecosystem.
bikagenda bikangiza ecosystem cyangwa ubuzima bwo mu mazi bw'ibiremwa biba mu mazi murumva mubyibutse se mwajyagaho mukigira abana beza ngo kampani yanyu irengera ibidukikije
How about now?
aka kanya se muri kubibona mute
Elena Lanza. She was
Elena Lanza.
with us when we sabotaged the Terracoa pipeline last
yari
year.
ari kumwe natwe ubwo twajyaga kwataka muri Telco pipeline cya biriya bitiyo byanyu bimenamo imyanda umwaka ushize
Court and was going to use the trial to tell the world what you've been doing there.
yarafashwe yajyanwa mu rukiko agiye gutanga ubuhamya bw'amabara n'amakosa mukora yari agiye kubwira isi yose ibyanyu
No?
yarabivuze hoya
How about this?
hanyuma si bibyo
Killed.
mwaje kumwicisha you had her killed
Elena was found murdered in her cell, so the trial never takes place.
baje kumufata yishwe yiciwe muri gereza aho yari afungiye ibi ntibyigeze biba urubanza ntirwaba
Without fire, right?
nta hantu haba umwotsi hatari umuriro mwana hari umuriro haboneka umwotsi
What do? You sit
Icyo mukora-
down with your friends in Parliament, the
mwe
press,
muragenda mukincarana n'inshuti zanyu mu z'abadepite parliament MP member of parliament siko babitarya n'abadepite ni
social media. You
itangazamakuru n'abandi mubasha kumvisha
downplay, deny, keep the disinformation pumping, just so long as
mwarangiza mugahakana amakuru
those oil licenses keep coming and the Agnion stock keeps climbing. See?
kampani yanyu igakomeza kuzamuka isoko ry'imari n'imigabane ryanyu rikazamuka mwirengagije imyanda mujugunye hirya no hino
Terracoa every month and Elena every week.
buri munsi hapfa abantu benshi bagapfa nk'uriya mukobwa ndetse buri cyumweru mujugunya imyanda myinshi muri
The
Telacom.
world does nothing until now.
Isi nta kintu yari yarigeze ikora kugeza uyu munsi. Uyu munsi
You are accountable.
byose nimwe tubishinzwe.
Any of this.
You're
Nta
right,
na kimwe mwagaragaza ariko nta kimenyetso mufite.
Jeffrey. We can't.
Uravuga ukuri koko Jeffrey.
Can't.
You
Twe
fucking
ntacyo twagaragaza ariko mwe mwabigaragaza.
cowards.
Uri ikigwari mwana.
You won't get away with it.
Ibi ntabwo uzabicika.
Did you say cowards?
Utwise ibigwari.
Before bulldozers in the Amazon been shot.
Twigeze guhagarara imbere y'ibimashini bicukura muri Amazon bya bulldozer, bino bimashini bicukura bihingagura imisozi.
Up by whalers, seen our brothers and sisters killed for what?
Twarashwe na ba whalers na abasirikare baba b'indwanyi baba mwari aba whalers, ubwo murabazi. Muzi indirimbo yitwa Whalers ya Bob Marley. Muzagende muyumve muzamenya ba whalers ni bande.
They believe him. What
Tubona abavandimwe bacu na bashiki bacu bari kwicwa.
you?
Wowe uri iki?
You're a fat, ugly man in a
Uri
suit.
injogera iraha ibyibushye nk'idatekereza mu bikote.
You're hearing this.
Ese wasaze uri kuba ibintu no mu gihe avuga mwabirabasa.
What's going to happen? You are going to give
Dore ibintu bigiye kuba rero.
your password,
Mugiye guhereza password yanyu wa mukobwa uri hejuru muri control room.
and she's going to expunge every guilty secret from
Buri banga ryose ririmo hariya ribahama
your
ry'icyaha.
accounts. You're then going to confess your crimes.
Mwemera ibyaha byanyu.
We're going to shine a light on every lie,
Tugiye gucana urumuri rugaragaza buri kinyoma cyanyu.
bribe, and
Buri
abuse,
ruswa mwatanze.
and then reveal it to
Buri
the
muntu mwese mwangije
world.
tubigaragarize
Once
isi.
the truth goes viral,
Ukuri ni kumara gukwira hirya no hino.
you and Agni and Stock will be
Mwebwe na kampani yanyu ya Agnian.
worthless.
Imigabane yanyu nta kintu irabikivuze ku isi.
Comply, you will then be released.
Nimwemera gutanga amakuru dushaka mukemera gukorana natwe turabarekura mu gihe.
By us at least. What happens beyond that,
Ibirenze byo.
out of my hands.
Biraba birenze ibiganza byawe.
Let's discuss this.
Reka ibi tubiganireho mwana.
We have everyone here to give you a plan.
You don't understand, Jeffrey.
Dufite abantu hano baguhereza ibyo ushaka byose ntabwo ubyumva Geoffrey.
You are the platform.
Ni we dukeneye, ni we
Please,
platform
if you
dukeneye.
need people on side, come on. We can talk this through.
Ibi twabiganiraho mwana. Twabiganiraho hakuno. Nowa yarasaza tamutamika icupa. Mutamika icupa ararimunigisha. Munigisha icupa mindani mu ngoto. Hey! Obwa bona ibintu byahinduye imirishyo. Bona ibintu byahinduye imirishyo baramwica. Yaramwishe. Hey! Yishingaga hari umukobwa abona bya bintu yari azi ko ari imikino n'abantu bari kubipfiramo.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Icyo kibazo
Marcus, you're breaking bread with them and having to go at me. Fuck you!
We agreed no killing.
twemeranyije ko tutari bwica
Knew
abantu.
exactly who I was before you brought me.
Noah,
Warunze ariko mbere y'uko nzana muri aka kazi wari uzi uwundi. Noah,
this is not the way.
ubu ntabwo ari bwo buryo mwana. Ntabwo ari bwo buryo umukobwa yaje hano. Mbona ibintu bihinduye isura. Zana arabanza gufatira nimba ari ibya girisi nimba ari ibiki.
All flesh is gross.
Oh, enough of your fucking bullshit.
Ibyatsi byose biba biri fresh.
Without me,
Ibyo by'ubugori kibwe bireka.
you wouldn't have even got in here. You'd
Urabizi ko ubu utamfite tutari kugeramo nawe.
still be on the outside throwing rocks. So
N'ubundi wari kuba uri hariya hanze uri gutonga nawe uterura amabuye n'ibikiri umuyede.
wind your fucking neck in and remember what we're here to do.
Rero karaga urwo rutwe rwawe ruzunguze wibuke impamvu turi hano. Hakuno umukobwa yangije fata bya bivuta asize ku birahuri aracana. Ko yagacanye. Rebe abari hasi batangiye kubona umuriro hejuru. Yanditse ijambo SOS. Bundi iri jambo iyo ryanditse byanze bikunze umupolisi aho ari cyangwa niki ahita amenya ko ukeneye ubufasha. Tumaze kwakira raporo nyinshi ituruka kuri Agnian Tower ya SOS. Ijambo rivuze ngo mu ntabare save our soul. Nicyo ririya jambo rivuze mudutabare. Baba bazanye n'ibisasu nyagasani. Hey!
Fuck is this?
Ibi ni ibiki?
Little extra persuasion.
Utundi tuntu tw'utumaniye.
Interrupt circle time, but we
Niyangane ndabavangira.
have an iceberg on the horizon.
Ariko dufite ikibazo, have an iceberg on the horizon.
Inbound rapid response.
Abapolisi batangiye kutuvugaho bisa nkaho hari ikibazo gute.
Fucking SOS on the side of the building.
Ku ruhande rumwe rw'iyi nzu hari ikimenyetso cya SOS tutazi ukuntu kigiyeho.
Outside.
Bisa nkaho hari umuntu ubikoze mu buryo bwa kera. Someone went old school. Hanze inzu.
Of the cleaners.
Ubwo wabona ari nk'umwe mu bakora isuku.
Find them.
Mumushake. Find them. Mubashake.
To the police.
Warning, we have hostages.
Banza wohereze polisi gasopo babwire ko dufite imfungwa batanaza batumenyera. Hey! baza kuza banatumenyera inzu bayigaruriye. Uyava yarakwepa uretse oya wimurasa mureke hakuno nawe yavuyeyo turi kwirukanka mwana turi kwirukanka hakuno cya Geoffrey nimba ari Gerard cya Gerard te baraziranye bakoranaga.
Trina's not going anywhere. Get Gerald.
Yeduzane Gerard n'ubundi uwo mukirina nta hantu ari.
Override to the cradle.
Sweet.
Bring her up.
Uyu mukobwa we jya kuri cradle umunzamurire muzane bahita bamuzamura hano aramufite nibo bari muri control room bahita bamuzamura hejuru ibindi baraza kuba babivugana. Kumbe Ngagarian iracitse sizo ziba zitarakoze na siporo zanarafunga yagufatira turunevisi bari kumuzamura arabanza yicomeka hano mu migozi iri kumuzamura shomekamo turunevisi hano yabanzira y'ibana hani by'ibana iki kuzamuka biranga. Menda umuryango samutwara hano cya Gerard rwanira imbunda yapu uramenye Ngagari.
Very stupid, Gerald.
Gerard biriya byaro ubugoryi ukoze.
Their band jacks the cradle. She's stuck.
Kobwa imashini yayibarnya muzamuraga yakwamiye hagati.
Fucker. Let us swap.
Ari munsi yanyu mumure kabiri ciwe mukobwa. Bayano. Shiramo isasu muri chamber.
We've already killed one Milton. We can't lose them both.
Nana wamaze kwica Milton umwe nago twababura bo.
He's listening to you, Marcus.
Marcus nta muntu uri kukumva. Kuki? Biramucanga. Yaje yipangiye umupangu no watangiye kuhindura.
What is this? A fucking coup?
Ibi ni ibicu nteye kuzi. Iyi ni kude.
I don't think I will.
Uzi n'ikindi ndakeka ntari bwishyira.
This shit when we're this close.
We're not close.
Ese mwana ushaka kwangiza ibintu haburaga.
Don't we? We're not
Ntago haburaga gato.
close.
Oh, you
Ntago haburaga gato.
stupid, arrogant bastard.
Ikigoryi cy'ikinyendaro kitumva.
Changed, bro.
Nta
The
cyahindutse bro.
world is still dying.
N'ubundi siracyari gupfira kwangira.
Fuck this hearts and minds bullshit. It's time for some
Kubera ibigoryi nk'ibi ngibi bifite mu mutwe n'umutima nk'uyu.
rock and roll.
Noah, put the
Noah.
fucking gun down.
Shira
or
imbunda
I'll
hasi
put
Noah.
you down.
Shira imbunda hasi itarasa bosi we. Hey! Karabaye. Yagasani. Batangiye gusubira Noah washaka kwica. Shaka kwica.
You won't. That's why I have to do this.
Ntago ari kubikora niyo mpamvu nje nagombaga gukora ibi.
Lucky Jerry, you I need.
Jera uri umunyamahirwe kuko ngukeneye. Nawe mba nkwishe.
But I'm in now, Marcus.
Marcus ndimi ndani.
And I'm gonna be throwing a lot more than fucking rocks.
Ntago nzigera nongera gusubira ku muhanda ngo nje njugunya amabuye nk'umuyede wapi. Hakuno.
I'm only gonna ask you this once, Wyatt.
Ngiye kukubaza ibi ngibi inshuro imwe yonyine.
In or out?
White turi kumwe cyangwa wapi? Akijya kurasa nayo bamutamo. Utari kumwe na Noah
Looks like I'm all in.
bisa nkaho ngiye turi bukorane.
Sorry, man. Really, I am.
Babarire mwana
You
umusumba
think the people are the solution? People are the
ariko ikibazo ufite uracyatekereza ko abantu ari cyo gisubizo.
problem.
Kandi ahubwo abantu ari bo kibazo cy'iyi si.
I mean, look at me.
Reba mwana ndeba.
It's too late for a revolution, Marcus. This is a reckoning.
Marcus ibintu byo kuvuga ngo uzanye impindura amatwara wapi nago bikunda warakerewe ubigigezweho. Nukwigumuzi.
Straight to our guests.
Byereka abashyitsi bacu. Ibereke nona.
So, Jerry's had his fun, and after a
Yangane Gerard yaryohewe.
brief chat with Marcus, the
Nanjye
headline
nyuma y'ikiganiro ngiranye na Marcus.
is we're now under new management.
Nagira ngo mbabwire yuko ubu ngubu twabonye umuyobozi mushyashya.
You're loyal to Marcus,
Ndabizi benshi muri mwe mwari abapampe ba Marcus
but that's done.
ariko byarangiye.
Wait now. Same broad strokes,
Ubu
just
turi mu buryo bumwe mu nzira imwe mu muhanda umwe.
a few key changes.
Nuko hahindutsemo utuntu dukeya kabisa. Bakijya kuvana imbunda n'abandi barabica. Barabica. Uraza uza kunegosya n'abantu. Ubundi buri muvoma yose cyangwa se buri kantu kagiye kuba gakomeye, buri muvoma, buri kintu cyose kigiye kuba gikomeye hakenera abagomba kubyitangira. bamujugunya hanze ubu se ninde uri hanze y'iyi nzu ko wambwiraga ngo ngomba kuba ndi hanze ebe hakuno yehehe Joey nawe Joanna aracyari hano kugikwa faya barabanza bamukamuramo amarya ngaho gera wongere wiruke sasu mwivi amumena ingasiri.
Done. You get the explosives ready, okay?
What about your cleaner?
We should get rid of her.
Tugiye kubanza twumva ibya boss hanyuma se wa mukiri nawe bitebye.
And we've a chopper inbound.
Hari indege iri kuzenguruka.
That's full pig bingo.
Kandi ni indege full pig bingo. Kirano.
Please tell me this shit show comes with a fucking plan.
Gira ko ibi bintu byose biri ku mupango.
Guys, see,
Muzazi.
they're still coming clean tonight. You're still gonna
Dirije ibintu byose raza komera neza.
dig through all their dirty laundry. Marcus was right about one thing.
Marcus yavuze ikintu kimwe cyonyine.
Truth does matter.
Ukuri ntacyo kuvuze hano.
That they're just mirrors, cranks, and
Udafite ukuri.
crazies. A bunch of murdering psychos, but the truth by itself
Ikintu cyonyine ndi kubona hano ni ibisazi by'ibyicanyi natwe nitudashyira ukuri hanze umenye ko ariko bari budushira.
changes nothing.
Ukuri bwako nta kintu kuri buhinduke. Do. Uyu nguyu Gerard icyo cyari gisanzwe gifite n'umutima. Hey! Police tayari yaramenetse hasi hejuru mu kirere no ku butaka. Bonya kabunda hano kujya kugenda ano ya turune visi vamo hano ya turune visi vamo. Timbunda
Like riding a bike 700
Joey burabikoze nkaho ugiye gutwara moto burabishoboye.
high in a mangled fucking cradle. I think that's
Feet 700 mu kirere kuri iki gikredo
what he's running in.
harimo n'umurambo w'umuntu wapfuye dovayo. Hey! Kumbe ni Michael musaza. Michael musaza we kiraho Michael uza kwitsimba hano. Babika ibikoresho by'amasuku n'ibiki wavayo. Baraziranye bakoranaga.
I really wish you weren't here right now.
Shana kifushe kutakabaye uri hano kaka.
Derek had to be Derek.
Of course he did.
Derek yagombaga kwa Derek cyane. Asemuko.
Are you gonna try and talk me out of it too, Joey?
Like he did.
Nabizugiye kumbwira unjira inama.
No. You're killing people, Noah.
Kwica abantu Noah.
I am killing people
Ndi kwica
in my way, but it's not personal. Actually,
nabari kunjira mu nzira gusa ariko nago nabyegereje umutima.
it's kind of deeply personal.
Nako ntangiye no kubyegereza
It's
umutima.
kind of personal, Joey.
Uri mu ntebe ibintu bigira ibyo Joe.
What's yours?
Wowe ibyawe ni ibihe?
And Michael?
Cyangwa Michael musaza wawe.
Please tell me he's not still here.
He left.
Mbwira ko atakiri hano. Yagiye.
Bored waiting.
Yarambiye no gutegereza aritahira.
Hey guys, our
Gasore.
cleaner's little brother Michael Locke.
Rero naje mbabwire ko wa mukobwa uri kudukorera amasuku hano ku idirisha afite musaza we
Somewhere in the building.
ahantu ntazariho muri
I'll send
iyi
you a picture of him now.
zingiye kukohereza ifoto y'uwo musaza we
Find him and bring him to me.
numubona muhitemo munzanira. Nanyumva
Fucking bastard.
kiriya kigo ry'ikiwanyu
You leave him stuck in some shithole home for years.
n'ubundi wari waramushyize ahantu mu kigo cyita ku bantu bafite uburwayi bwo mu mutwe imyaka
He's
n'imyaka
an embarrassment that somehow you've had it.
n'uburyo ubuvuga nk'aho ari igisebo kuri wowe.
Suffering.
That's not true.
Yes, it
Ntabwo
is
ariko kuri
fucking true.
uko niko kuri
Yourself right now, Joey. and I
ntiwibeshye aka kanya
want
John.
one time that you are here for him, you bring him into
kuba
bed.
wari uhari ku bwe uyu munsi icumi imwe yonyine ngaho reba ibyo wamuzanye.
It's who the fucking year you are.
uri mushiki w'umuntu w'umwaka
Touch him.
n'umukoro
I will end you.
yagiye kandi wari umubwiye ngo si wari umubwiye ngo yagiye si genda kurangiza. Okay.
I told you. Personal.
Nabikubwiye ngo ni ibyacu bwite biri personal.
My name is Denise Slater.
Njye banyita Denise Slater.
I am the Minister for Energy.
Hano bari kuri kodinga ni njye minisitiri wa energy.
I speak to you today to confess to
kubavugisha ngo nemere ibyaha byanjye
and no longer conceal.
byaha ntagishoboye gukomeza kwakira.
For years, I have accepted bribes from Agnian.
imyaka mike ishize nagiye nakira ruswa ziturutse muri kampani ya ba
I
Agnians.
received in excess of £2 million
Nakiriye amafaranga asaga miliyoni 2 z'amapaundi
to obstruct an inquiry into Agnian site.
Sierra Oscar, units on
kugira ngo nirengagize ibyo bakoraga muri Sierra.
tower.
We're way off on the hack. They've only just started spilling their guts.
Mwana aracyabura akanya gatoya mwe mwitonda.
Maybe 2 minutes till the feds show.
Iminota nk'ibiri ibi bintu ndahita ntangira mbi streaming nari.
Ready. We need more time.
Ntabwo turitegura dukeneye ikindi gihe mwana kumbe. Polisi iramenetse.
Your guests are almost here.
Ndikubona abashyitsi bawe bahageze.
Invited them, Joey.
Siyo abatumiye se Zoe.
This is your night.
Nawe iri joro ugiye kuririkirira rya Yesu uneje polisi. Ari ndi kwikorera utuntu twanjye nipoye kanze nkwereke. 999.
Woman outside the Agnian Tower with a gun.
Hari umugore w'umusazi uri hano hanze kuri Agnian Tower.
She's gonna kill someone.
Agiye kwica umuntu. Muhagene none amwitonze afite n'imbunda. Amuteza polisi nawe. Umusazi mwana. Hinzi ko njye nawe turi inshuti. Nanjye nari naketse ko turi
Help each other, don't they?
inshuti se zifasha.
So, why don't you point that gun at the street
Wafashe iyo mbunda ukayitunga hariya mu muhanda.
and empty the clip?
Kayimaramo amasasu and empty the clip. Kayimaramo amasasu. Kijyo. Okay.
Shit.
Kuri wa mugore utwite.
Yes.
Reba uyu nini. Halina barazina.
It's their money.
Ntahuriye n'ibi ngibi ariko.
No, she's pregnant.
Even more of a reason.
Aratwite mu.
This is not well to be bringing a kid into, now is it?
Agiye kuzana n'uwundi mwana muri iyi si umusore.
Do it, please.
wibikora ndakwibutsa.
Dial you up.
Bisa nkaho yabwiraga musaza we.
This gets juicy.
Musaza yaragiye kumukubita urunyundo mu mutwe ariko rw'ikibaho nimba atari igikusa.
Lose the silencer. Let's make a bang. And no
Vana iyo silencer kuri iyo mbunda.
easy shots.
Urase mu muhanda cyangwa ndasuye umugore. Shaka polisi yose. Vanaho silencer. Je hakuno umugore. Rasa hakuno mu muhanda. Masasu. Undi arabanza ayimaremo amasasu. Icyo umusore ashaka. Polisi paying attention kuri uyu mukobwa. Bandi baye bari mu tuntu twabo bipowiye.
See, I told you, that fucking ants.
Sinakubwiye reba iriya miswi iri hariya hasi ngo ni abana ariko. Undi arabanza yimaramo amasasu hano mu muhanda. Kurasa amasasu yashizemo. Ebe. Polisi tayari. Indege mu kirere nazo tayari do. Umukobwa baramufite. Tugire bataraje. Mwese musohoka abasivile barabanza babavana n'ibyabi kubera sagara zabereye. Mwese muduha akanya mbereke. Gore wavuye hakuno. Rebe. Fandekazi. Fande. Umukobwa baramufite. Umusazi. Ndaza kukubwira nitubona Mike musaza wawe. Amaboko ku mutwe tuyabona ahindukira ureba inyuma. Umukobwa arahindukira amaboko ku mutwe bakubonanye imbunda nomara wati barakurasa. Twese dukomeje kumva amakuru y'uko inyubako ya Agnian Tower yamaze kwataka. Dutegereje kumva amakuru aturuka mu mfungwa cyangwa se leta ikatubwira uko bimeze. Gusa icyo twamaze kwemeza tudashidikanya ni amasasu yarasiwe muri kimwe cya kabiri cy'iyo nzu halfway building. Yarashwe n'umugore tutarabasha kumenya ngo ni. Ubu rero nshatse navuga ko uriya mukirina ari we bose bahanze amaso.
Transfer some of the Milton's brothers' funds into Joanna.
Kugira ngo bigume gutyo noneho fata amafaranga use nk'umwohereza kuri konti ye uyavanye kuri konti y'aba bakire ba hano ku buryo na leta iravuga ituriya mukobwa ariko wabona akorana n'ibyebe.
33 million.
Katuvuge nka miliyoni 33.
I'm sorry, how many million?
Uvuze miliyoni zingahe? 33 ni ibiceri byinshi.
Crown commander for the night. Lucky you.
Yeah, lucky me. Right, what we
None wahageze Imana ishimwe.
Nothing on the hostages yet. Shareholder event for Agnian.
Nta kintu turamenya ku mfungwa bari abanyamigabane b'iyi company.
We have workers, staff and high profile guests.
Twari dufitemo abakozi bakora muri iriya nzu, abayobozi bo ku rwego rwo hejuru n'abandi bashyitsi. Harimo n'uwo bita Denise Sirante. Ministry. Arya energy babyita ngo renewable energy, ibintu nk'ibyo, amashanyarazi, ibintu nk'ibyo n'ibyo. Ntago nzi ko tubivuga mu Kinyarwanda.
We have 102 phone signals, all non-responsive. No
Dufite telefone zisaga 120 mo hariya kuri sinyal ariko zitari gukora.
But the SOS was followed by a coded
Nta
warning
kintu na kimwe bari badusaba.
about the hostages, then the call about the shooter.
Casualties?
One body on the crate,
Abantu babyangirikiye.
with the shooter,
Usibye umurambo umwe uri kuri credo,
none on the ground.
iri kumwe n'undi muntu uri kurasa, nta wundi uri hasi turanga.
Spotters have ID'd the shooter as Joanna Locke.
Uwarashe rero twamaze kumubona, bamwita Joanna Locke.
Another window cleaners.
Yari asanzwe akora isuku ku birahure by'iriya nzu.
Army, SRR.
Yahoze ari ex-army muri SRR.
Made it through Marine selection only to
Yaciye mu majonjora ya Marine selection aratsinda.
assault a squad mate, then quit.
Amujyana muri squad, arangije ava mu kazi.
Spotted abusive father, brother in care.
Yahuye n'ibibazo mu bwana bwiwe, yari afite subahohotera.
Drug finds.
Afite n'umuvandimwe wiwe ufite ikibazo.
Self-medicating. Classic unstable ex-soldier.
Yeah, maybe.
Babwije kuri uriya mukobwa ni umusirikare udatuje mu mutwe.
Authorities in place for her socials, her phones, her finances, deep.
Ubanze mumenye telefone ye, finance y'amafaranga bihagaze gute, ibiki byose, amafoto ye.
Too easy, lazy answer.
Yes, go.
Ureke kunshakira bya bisubizo by'abantu.
Sorry, Gov.
No, right, let's see. We're going to have to ruin the Commissioner's Bridge night. He'll need to brief the Home Secretary and the Mayor.
Reka tubanze turebe ukuntu turabikemura, duhamagare Home Secretary.
Who have we got from SEO 19?
Ese muri score 19 hari ikintu bigeze babusura.
Storming Norman.
Yeah, of course. Who else? Right, well, if I get too punchy, just give me
Bari mu nzira bajyayo. Okay.
Let's go. What do I do when you ignore it?
Ubyirengagize.
Speak of the devil.
Tukiri kuvuga se ikibi ngiraje.
Thank you.
Ba sniper bamaze kugera kuri ya nyubako mabuja.
Yes,
Murakoze.
make contact with the shooter. What
Ariko tugomba kubanza kuvugana n'uriya warashe mu
the
muhanda,
hell is going on?
tukamenya ukuntu ibintu bimeze.
Your mark.
Yes, I am.
Dutegereje uburenganzira buduhe mabuja.
Okay.
Nakumvishije. Avande hano. Hey! Ba sniper bari hano mu ndege.
I'm not with them, don't!
Je ntago ndi kumwe nabo. Nimundase.
I'm not one for doing nothing.
We're not doing nothing.
Ntago je mpagaze hano nta kintu ndi
We're
gukora.
waiting till we learn more.
Wereka tubanze dutegereze tumenye
She
amakuru.
lit that sign because she wants attention. She's not putting on much of a show. No
Uriya
matter
mukobwa impamvu yarashe nuko yashaka abantu bamuhanga
how
amaso.
much someone wants us to think that. Nobody makes a move unless I say so.
Nta muntu ugomba kugira icyo akora mpaka mbabwira. Uranyumva? Mabuja.
33 million just landed in Joanna Locke's account
Miliyoni 33 zimaze kugera kuri konti y'uriya mukobwa ngo ni John.
from the Milton brothers.
Ziturutse muri ba Milton Brothers ba nyiri Agnian. Ubwo ni Gerard na harya undi bamwita.
She just fired 7 rounds in the St. Thomas Street.
Yamarasha masasa sagarindwi mu muhanda mabuja.
To the street.
Ya yarashe mu muhanda
So
nyine.
that's blind luck, or she's XSR.
We ntago uriya mukobwa ari impumyi, nanjye sindi impumyi.
She knows exactly.
Ikindi uriya mukobwa wibuke neza ko ari umusirikare n'umumarine, yahoze ari umusirikare.
We have a hit a target and miss one.
Azi kurasa igipimo akagihamya, azi no kukirasa akagihusha. Rero kuba atarashe umuntu si uko byari
He's
bimunaniye,
unstable.
keretse abaye ataratuje. Hey! Kobwa hakuno. Kobwa byose biri kumugaruka ku mutwe. Gasani. Kobwa kureba hano. Rebe.
Going for the body.
Hold your fire.
Mwemwe muretse kurasa. Mwemwe muretse all your fire. Kobwa zano. Jambo kurindi. Icyo kintu mba ngomba kubasobanurira, ga murabizi ko ibi bintu mbikora nk'umuntu bizi wabyize. Ibi ndabizi pe. I'm sure ko mbizi.
He's holding a device.
Afashe device. Kobwa yagize gutya. Tapu! Yakwadira hambuka. Abuze rimwe ritanga biri, umukobwa yaragiye. Hamanuka umurambo. Hamanutse umurambo. Hey! Kobwa. Biri hasi ukuntu wareshya do.
What's your emergency?
999.
Fucking kidding me?
Ikihe kibazo ariko muri kunyinisha? Uri gukina nanjye? He? Baza gufata umurambo umanutse. Hakuno.
For you, it's Joey Locke.
Joey Locke arakwihamagariye akira.
Put it back off.
Bwira iriya ndege ihita isubira inyuma. Okay?
Hello, Joey.
Muraho Joey. Mwirasa mwana. Je ntago ndi kumwe
You
nawe.
won't shoot.
Ntago turi bukurase humwe.
This
Abantu yiteze.
is Superintendent Claire Hume,
Je
and
banyita Superintendent Claire.
I repeat, we will not
Nagusubiramo over, ntago turi bukurase byiza cyane.
as soon as we can.
Turaza kukumanura vuba cyane uko tubishobora.
You need
Je munyibagire.
get inside.
Mukeneye kujyamo indani muri iriya nzu. Turaza kujyayo.
My brother's in the building.
Umuvandimwe wanje ari muri iriya nzu. Agira ngo abandi bose abantu bamwita Michael
We're
Rock.
gonna get him too.
Nawe turaza kumubona. Mumunshakire ndabinginze,
You
ndabinginze.
mentioned them.
ako ko waruvuze ngo ntago uri kumwe nabo bo ni bande
It's under my personal direction have consistently.
kuno bari kodinga bakire bagiye barya ruswa bagiye bakora ibibazo byose.
Climate change is a hoax.
Naughty boy.
It's time to admit my complicity in
nicyo gihe ngo nemera amakosa
the
nakoze
downplaying of climate change.
kuba naragiye nsha amazi ihinduka ry'ikirere.
For decades,
kuno
Know yourself, Jennifer. You know where all the bodies are buried.
urabizi ko imirambo yose bayishyinguye.
Tell us what to do.
tubwira aho tujya gucukura
Or you
rero
can join Jeff here.
cyangwa nawe usange Joffre uriye segreteri wa Joffre nimba ari Joffre.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bari
Freaking you out.
ari kugutera ubwoba kubona umurambo.
Do you want me to move him?
shaka nkuvane hariya mujyane. Yego
No.
ujya ntawe tujyana. vuga ibyo uvuga cyangwa ubyihorera ureke kwibara gusa. Gasani
Someone needs to get inside.
hari umuntu ukeneye kujyamo indani hariya.
Believe me, we're on it. We just need to assess.
nyizera turi kubikurikirana.
Joey,
Nyumva witonze
I'm going to
Joey.
have to call you back, but we will get you down.
reka mbanze nshaka ukuntu nguhamagara mu kanya ariko dukeneye kukumanuka. Jesse nshaka kumanuka. nshaka kwinjiramo indani muri iriya nzu. Kigali we.
Noah Santos.
Noah Santos.
No socials, no record.
nta kintu wamubonaho nta mbuga nkoranyambaga nta
I think
makuru.
there's a whistle. But cross-check his
intungane nta kintu wamubona.
work ID. We matched with this guy.
ariko nkomeje kureba nabonye asa nk'uyu muntu.
He was calling himself Lucas Vander then,
amaze iminsi yita Lucas Vanderden
a member of the Seventh Harvest,
ngo ni umwe mu bagize umuryango witwa Seventh Harvest,
an anti-humanist group.
an anti-humanist group. ni ka gatsiko kadakunda abantu nyine. Anti-humanist abantu baba badakunda abantu vuguta abantu bantera icyugazi isi ubundi nta nubwo abantu bakabaye bayituyemo.
Man is a blight upon the world. A cancer, a virus.
abantu kuri isi bameze nka kanseri cyangwa nka virusi.
Human virus to be controlled requires a radical, invasive approach.
kandi kugira ngo iyo virusi yakikiremwa muntu kuri isi ihave nuko bidusaba gukora ibirenze.
Delightful.
Close to no followers, on the fringes of the fringe. Not even worth putting
nta
on
mufolo wagira
the
ntacyo.
watch list. Well, last year he shows up in the orbit of someone who was on the watch list. Marcus Blake.
umwaka ushize yaje guhura n'umugabo bita Marcus rero Marcus Frege.
And we just peeled off the pavement.
Leader of
niwe
Earth
umeze nkaho yamutunganyirije inzira.
Revolution.
uyu nguyu niwe muyobozi wa Earth Revolution, ni agatsiko k'abantu barengera ibidukikije.
A radical environmental group. Extreme,
Radical Environmental Group.
but organized. Well-connected, well-resourced. Linked to the sabotage of the Dakar refinery and the Laguna Tarakoa facility last of Earth Revolution.
ahagarariye agatsiko kitwa Earth Revolution.
A radical environmental group.
Radical Environmental Group agatsiko gashinzwe biha inshingano zo kurengera ibidukikije.
Extreme, but organized. Well-connected,
agatsiko gapanze neza pe.
well-resourced. Linked to the
kanaterwa inkunga.
sabotage of the Dakar refinery
bafite aho bahuriye n'icyo bafite aho bahuriye na Dakar Refinery,
and the Laguna Tarakoa facility
ndetse bafite n'aho bahuriye na bya bindi byabaye muri Laguna Telakota
last year.
umwaka washize.
Cool, that's Agnew.
Laguna Telakota
There were warnings given at those attacks. No casualties.
bari ibyabaye aho hantu baratatse ariko nta muntu
One
wabyangirikiyemo.
was arrested at Tarakoa.
baje kumufatira aho muri Telakoa
Practically handed herself in.
nako ni ameze nkaho yitanze
The
ntibanamufa.
Earth Revolution MO.
Earth Revolution MO
Get attention. Make their case.
bo barabanza bagashaka ukuntu leta ibitaho ubundi bagakora ibintu byabo, leta nyine batavuga rumwe na leta ariko batabangamiye uburenganzira bw'ikiremwamuntu.
This time, Eleanor Lanza gets herself knifed in jail for the cause.
aricyo cyagiye wa mugore yijanaga Elena akijana muri gereza ku bw'izo mpamvu.
So
Yego.
Marcus Blake, an extremist, not a killer.
bivuze ngo Marcus Blake ni wa muntu nyine uharanira ibintu ariko atari umwicanyi, none yapfuye.
Murdered by Noah Santos.
bivuze ngo yishwe nande na Noah Santos.
Tell me in.
mpamagariramo indani. Tell me in. nonaha hey!
First casualty of the Agnian siege in London has been identified as
umuntu wa mbere wagizwe ingaruka no kwataka kwakubaye kuri iriya nzu yaba Agnian.
environmentalist and radical eco
twamaze kumumenya umuntu warengeraga ibidukikije eco activist
is Blake.
Marcus Blake.
With Blake dead, it is not yet clear who is in control of
nimba yapfuye rero ubu ntituramenya ngo
what is
ninde uyoboye,
rapidly escalating
ariko ibihuha
situation.
bikomeje gukwirakwira hirya no hino hakuno. hano kumena ikirahure, ibi birahure biba bikomeye, ibirahure byo ku nzu nini nk'izi.
No choice of my own.
je ntabwo byari amahitamo yanjye.
Horsley am
jewe James Horsley
compelled to reveal the truth.
je ndashaka kugaragaza ukuri.
Part in regards to Agnian and the
garagaza ukuri, ngaragaze n'uruhare rwanje muri kampani ya dore abantu bagiye babategaho ibisasu muri kampani ya Agrian Group.
Silence whistleblowers and complainants.
Je nari nshinzwe gucecekesha abantu bagenda babunza utugambo ba whistleblowers.
Like the flowers in the field. The grass withers and the flowers fall, but the breath of the Lord remains forever.
Hakuno yazano.
You good?
Meze neza.
I'm terrified.
Mfite ubwoba. Okay. Hakuno ngo agasaho be wambaye.
What happens if it loses my pulse?
Byagenda bita umutima wanjye uramutse uhagaze gutera bikanga.
About 5 seconds for it to find it again.
Byagusaba amasegonda 5 kongera ugashaka iyo saha ukayambara. Mu gihe yabikuvuye ivuye ahantu hashyushye nyine umutima w'umuntu utari gutera. Iyo saha yaturika. Na imini bino bisasa abantu bambaye byaturika, okay? Hey. Ongera yambara isaha.
Good to know.
Byiza kubimenya.
There are humans on the line.
Superintendent Claire ari kuri telefone.
You still with us for phase 2?
Unacyari gukora kuri ya phase ya kabiri ariko zi.
Yes.
Yego mabuja. Yego boss, sorry.
Good to have you on board.
Byiza.
Noah Santos.
Detective Claire Hume.
Detective Claire Hume.
But then I
Banyita superintendent.
you knew that. Would you prefer
Check ibyo urabizi.
Noah or Lucas?
Tukwite Noah cha Lucas.
Noah, I outgrew Lucas.
Reka nitwe Noah Lucas narari.
Yes.
Yo yoboye yego cyawe.
You in charge up there?
Nawe ni wowe uyoboye aho ngaho.
Now, yeah.
Byaka kanya ni ngiye.
What happened with Marcus Blake?
Marcus Blake byamugendekeye bite?
Creative differences.
Je nawe ntago twabyumvaga kimwe.
Your boys in the chopper and on the rooftop should know that I'm wearing a dead man's switch sync to my
Ubundi wakabaye ubwira abo bagabo bari hejuru, abo basore bawe bari mu ndege n'abari hejuru ku gisenge.
pulse. So if my heart stops
Ko
beating,
nambaye isaha iri synchronized na pass y'umutima wanjye nuramuka uhagaze gutera
the whole building explodes.
inzu yose iraza guturika.
Likewise, any attempt to gain access,
Cutting the power, and I start detonating.
Cyangwa se hakagira nk'umuntu uza akaza gukupa amashanyarazi n'ibiki, ntabwo ndabigenza nk'uko ndabaturitse.
blink, ask Marcus Blake.
Niba ugira ngo ndi gukina baza Marcus Blake umwe yahanuye. Uyu nawe ari kumena ikirahure. Hey, byanze. Ni ibibazo. Karabaye. Haya. Nawe biranze.
Jared and the board are confessing to their systemic violation of the
Gerard ari kubyemera
planet.
ko bagiye bangiza ukuntu iyi site n'imiterere yayo bitewe n'imyanda bagendaga bajugunyamo.
The only guilty ones.
You're putting them on trial.
Tonight's about
Uri kubacira urubanza ariko.
consequences, Claire. You reap what you sow.
Okay, well, while they're confessing, why don't we let the others go? I
Mu
understand.
gihe se bari kwemera ibyaha waretse abandi bakagenda nyine abo ngabo akaba ari bo bishinzwe.
And you have issues with the Meltons, but you have people in there who are guilty of nothing more than showing up for work.
Aho ngaho hari abantu uri guhohotera badafite icyaha kimwe bashinjwa usibye kuba bari baje ku kazi. Wagumanye abo ngabo ushinze ibyaha abandi ukabareka.
Enabling parasites. Nobody gets a free pass.
Nta muntu n'umwe winjiye hano adabifitiye uburenganzira. No one get free pass.
The others moving, Noah.
Inhalational
Si
anesthetic.
ubundi kuca abantu batari kunyeganyega none.
They'll be out long enough.
Nabateye iki n'abakubisemo ibinya bahumeka ibyo byabagize gutya.
Or what are you trying to achieve tonight?
Iri joro ushaka kugera ku
You know, just
Rabizi.
Just
Ubutabera.
saving the world, that kind of thing.
Big ask.
N'ubundi burangira isi bihombeyemo ikabona ibintu nk'ibi.
Strike me as a naive type, Noah Blake. Maybe.
See, you have to see the
No,
long
wimfata nka Blake ngo ngire ikigo.
game here, Claire. You didn't listen to the Gretas, you wouldn't listen to the Marcuses.
Nimba mutarigeze mwumva ba Gretas Marcus nawe ntimwari
You
kumwumva.
lose your shit if someone throws oil at a painting, blocks the motorway, crashes the big match. Well, too late because now
Iyo
you
umuntu agize ibyo yangiza agafata ibirange imyanda n'ibiki byose akabijugunya mwe muba mwumva bimeze nk'aho ari itafari ajugunya.
get someone like me.
I'm struggling to join the dots.
Muba mukeneye umuntu nkanjye.
I'm strapping explosives
Ariko
to
njye na n'ubu ntabwo ndi kubasha kumva.
innocent people and
Gute
save
wateze abantu b'inzirakarengane ukabambika
in the
ibisasu?
world.
Ni gute uri gutabara isi gutyo?
Your first mistake is thinking that anyone in here is innocent.
Ikosa rya mbere uri gukora ni ukumva ko umuntu wese urimo hano ari
You
inzirakarengane.
hate people, Noah.
Ariko Noah wanga
I
abantu.
hate what we've done to the world.
Je
Yeah.
nanga ibyo abantu bakoreye isi. Yego.
Talking about saving, what, 100 people?
these bastards have been raping the planet and getting fat.
Nimba ari ibyo uri kuvuga ngo aba bantu 100 bari hano cyangwa iki, aba bantu bose bafataga iyi si ku ngufu bakayangiza.
On it. You still think
Aba
I'm
bantu baba badakunda
the
abantu.
bad guy?
Oh, so this is a
Uracyakeka ko ndi umuntu mubi?
numbers game for you.
None ibi ngibi ni imikino y'imibare kuri
Here
wowe.
we go.
Wumva noneho, here we go. Hakuno kumva kiri muri ibyo toto swata abana.
Speaking of numbers, Claire,
Tukiri kuvuga ku
why
mibare
I
Claire.
have SWAT guys sniffing around the entrance?
Ni ukubera iki ndi kubona abasore basaga nka 5 bari ku marembo yinjira muri iyi nyubako. Kureba hano
Get them back.
basubiza inyuma.
Pull back! Pull back!
Usubira inyuma.
We're moving back now.
tugiye gusubira inyuma Noah nta ribi
5 seconds, one per guy.
amasegonda 5 baye basubiye inyuma turi gusubira inyuma nyine bahita babasubiza inyuma hey
2
gatatu kabiri rimwe nakubwiye ngo twasubiye inyuma reka kira gutya
Well done, Claire.
urakoze Claire
Thank you.
urakoze Chagwe tabaturitsa nyagasani hey Noah nta mikino afite yaje amara amaji sore batanu b'abasirikare SWAT babigendeyemo
Still there?
uracyari kunyumvara
Families, Noah.
no bariya bagabo wishe bari bafite imiryango
Well, now they don't. Like you said, it's a numbers game.
ubu ntayo bagifite rero nk'uko wambwiye ngo ni ibibazo by'imibare
Kind of numbers depend on you, so till I'm done.
Stay the
ese ubundi wowe urumva ari nk'imibare ingahe mpaka igenda iburangiriza ibyo nkora
fuck back.
Don't you ever go behind my back!
mutaza kongera kunca inyuma mujya kohereza abantu nababujije sinari nakubujije wanje gerawe siki
Police officers have been killed in a
abofisiye batanu b'abapolisi
to the Agnian
bamaze gupfira mu guturika kubaye kuri Agnian Tower ni inyubako iri hano
really horrific night for London.
iri ni ijoro riteye ubwoba muri iyi London
Serving SCO-19 officers. Anti-humanist
babaga muri bato yitwa Siko 19
terrorist Noah Santos has yet
ikiyebe kidakunda abantu anti-humanist
to make any demands.
na n'ubu nta kintu kirasaba
And so far, no hostages have been released.
kandi si n'ibyo gusa nta n'imfungwa n'imwe yari yafungurwa yari yarekurwa ebe hey mabuja biramucanze Joey nabahaye gasopo
What the hell are you thinking?
mwatekerezaga iki
Noah's hooked up to a dead man switch, so we can't move our teams in. We can't get the hostages out.
Noah yagerageje kudufatirana kubera umugabo wari wapfuye bwa mbere
He's got us by the balls.
uriya musore araturenza aranatinyuka go some balls
You maybe. I'm going in.
How are you going
cyengiye kujamo indani
Yeah.
urajyamo indani gute ndi kubitekereza
anything else you can tell me?
hari ikindi kintu mwambwira
We know that Noah's after confessions and Agnian files before he goes live with it all.
ndabizi Noah araza kwemera ibyaha bye ariko ngo mu gihe ibyandiko byaba Agnian ziko bagiye bahohotera isi bakangiza ibidukikije bitarajyanze ntabwo ari
I
bwemere
think he's running it through the control room.
ndaciye kubashobora kuba ari muri control room ariho bari kubikorera byose
I'll do my best.
reka nze ngerageze naribi
You were in this whole operation on a window cleaner who couldn't hack the army.
ese urashaka kudukatira twebwe nk'abasirikare babitojwe hanyuma ukorane n'uriya mukobwa ukora amasuku kweri ku birahuri
Just send 5 men to their deaths, Royce. We
ntabwo yigeze yohereza abagabo batanu ngo abohereze mu rupfu Royce
need an opening and she can give us one.
dukeneye ahantu twaca twinjira kandi uriya mukobwa niwe wabidukorera mugabanye zagara mbiya fande kazi
Pigs, that's a new low even for you, Joey.
ubundi gufasha ingurube ni ibintu bigorana Joey
Oh, I don't know. Beats murder.
I'm sorry that you stayed late. I'm sorry that you got in my way, and I'm
mwana umbabare ko batinze kuva mu kazi ukaba utangiye kumva
sorry that you can't see what I'm trying to do here, but that's irrelevant because
ushobora kuba utari kubona ibintu ndi gushaka gukora
by the end of tonight, everyone will see.
ariko mbere y'uko iri joro rirangira bose baraza kubibona
You're not stopping that.
ntabwo uri buze kuduhagarika nta bantu uri buhagarike
Joey,
Joey
you need to move now.
ukeneye kugenda none
Explosives coming your way.
kubera ko ndi kubona hari igiturika bakoherereje Hey! bamumanuriye igisasu umukobwa ari hano aragenda arajyayo nyagasani Hey! dore sifo isasu runini umukobwa nta kindi yakoze umukobwa Joey gira musaza ariko mureba uyu mukobwa kuva na kera umukobwa ntabwo yatinyaga ahantu hejuru tu ava muri ya credo cyangwa se ya scaffolding yari arimo katandi nyuma kiriya gisasu giturikiye ku ruhande ari wo byanze bikunze yahita hano katanapfuye kitamuhitanye do hey! gisasu urubavu rw'inzu bararwegura gasani umukobwa hano yifata hano dore ahantu yitendetse dore ahantu umukobwa yitendetse gasani nyagasani rebe
I knew that the Agnian brand was associated with pollution.
nari mbizi yuko Agnian's Blandi bafite aho bahuriye no kwanduza ikirere no kugenda bacukura hirya no hino bashaka amavuta hakuno bagaba barimo basinkoroniza ibyo basinkoroniza sinzi
And greenwash Agnians.
kumbe kureba hano abantu nabo
She's dead. We have visual confirmation.
yapfuye tumaze kubibona yapfuye Joanna Luke yapfuye
Bye-bye, bitch.
ya bitch
You
yapfuye
believe that?
nimba ariko mubyizera koko kumbe uwo bavuga ngo yapfuye do
Come on, Joey, tell me.
Come on, Joey.
You're still there.
Era kujya mwana. Yego ndi hano.
You okay?
Meze neza.
Stay dead. They'll buy us some time.
Great.
Guma aho ngaho mwana biraza kudufata kuduha igihe wewe ukomeze wigire nkaho wapfuye.
They won't see me coming in through that hole.
Nizere ko batari buze kumbona nurira muri uriya mwenje. Mwenje? We mwenje se.
One of your snipers are going to put through the glass.
Umwenje ba sniper bawe bagiye kumpfumurira mu kirahure bakakimena.
On it.
Okay, kanze mbikoreho. Sniper. Barabanza barasikira uri hano bacyoroshye. Mukobwa abona uko akimena yinjira.
To the Milton brothers. I've been a silent witness to a web of corruption.
Je nagiye mbona ruswa nyinshi batangaga na secretary w'aba bagabo.
Switching the team's a risk.
So is assuming she's dead.
Reka twizere kuri ya mukobwa koko yapfuye. Nyene update zi.
By the time you get Gerald's confession, I'll be done.
Numara kumva ubuhamya bwa Gerard ngenda bansoje. Okay. Genda ujye kurya kuri ya mukobwa yapfuye. Genda. Cyaguhiga umukobwa. Gerard. Yo ugezweho.
Why do you care what we say?
Ese ubundi kuki mbona uhangayikishijwe n'ibintu tugiye kuvuga?
Anybody will listen after what you've done.
Urakeka hari umuntu uri bukumenya nyuma y'ibi byose wakoze?
The truth? No. With the truth. Enough for.
Bibaye nta kuri nta wanyumva ariko harimo kuri banyumva.
We're making history tonight, Jerry.
Iri joro turi kubaka amateka Jerry.
Let's go. You have
Uraza kutureka tugende.
a word that we're all going out the same way.
Ndagusezeranya ko twese turagenda mu buryo
bumwe. This statement from the mayor of London denouncing
tumaze kwakira ubuhamya buturutse kwa meya w'umujyi wa London.
Noah Santos. She says, I condemn this senseless violence and murder in the strongest terms. There can be no
justification
whatsoever for these barbaric acts.
Activism,
it is terrorism.
Ariko ibijibi ntago ari ukuvuga ngo ni ya byabikorwa umuntu akora kubera ko atari kuvuga rumwe na leta wenda akabinyuza mu buryo buzima. Ibi ni iterabwoba, disease terrorism. Terrorism hano yabaye terrorism. Kobwa nayo hano yaje kuri cya kirahure ba sniper bamaze kumena za kukimena cyoroshye ariko nubwo cyaba cyoroshye ka gihumbi sugire ngo
So
none
I know you need to concentrate.
nabizi ukeneye kuba uhanze amaso ikintu kimwe oya ahubwo nturekera ukumvugisha.
That's my mind of the massive fall and the dickheads with guns.
haza guhanuka kubera biriya bigoryi bifite imbunda.
Easy bit. Been doing it since I was 6.
kurira njye ni utuntu tworoshye kuri njye nabikoze kuva mfite imyaka 6.
Going in.
Timu yawe irinjiramo
They loved failing on the army.
Well, not to stress you out or anything, but
You want to know why I quit?
shaka kumenya impamvu navuye mu gisirikare.
You said 4 years.
Wakoze imyaka ine gusa.
You made it all the way through selection only to walk away.
Wakiciye muri ariya muri ririya toranwa rikomeye kuriya muri iriya myitozo kugira ngo uhite ubivamo.
I grew up watching an angry man act out on everyone else and I did nothing about it.
Nakuze mbona umugabo uhorana imijinya sinagira ikintu bikoraho.
Get to the commando course.
Rero kujya kwiga amasomo ya gisirikare.
One of the pricks I beat couldn't handle being beaten by a woman.
Naravugaga ngo ntazongera kuba wa mugore ukubitwa n'umugabo. Je nico nabikoreye.
I did. Quit before they could be me.
N'umugabo washatse kubinzanaho nabivuyemo atarabinzana.
No, you don't do that.
Hakuna.
Except this time.
This time it's not just my corner.
Kuri inshuro naga ibintu ari ikibazo cyanjye mwana.
Michael. Whenever our dad started on Michael, I'd have
Iyo data yatangiye kuri Michael.
the window, climb out,
Iyo data yatangiraga guhondagura Michael narakinguraga idirishya ngasohoka nkicara.
sit on the ledge till it was over.
Nkicara mpaka byose birangiye. Anyumva?
This time I'm not leaving him.
Kuri inshuro nago ndi busiga umuvandimwe
What
wanjye.
I want.
Umukobwa ngo yabaye umusirikare.
Stop
Je mfunga umutwe.
That's what we need right now.
Ubu rero gufunga umutwe nibyo dukeneye none.
Being stubborn and hostage negotiation work.
Hanyuma se kunegosia ku by'imfungwa zafungiyemo hariya mwe mu
Not
bigeze.
better at work than at home.
You're a train wreck too.
Nawe waratojwe.
What do you want first? Marriage 1, 2, 3.
Nushaka numara kuva usushaka uzakora iki gushaka nk'umugabo ukabyara umwana umwe 2 3.
Right, listen, they're going to be on to you soon, so let me call Noah. If he's talking
Reka rero nshaka ukuntu nyobya Noah.
to me, then he's not thinking about you.
Uburyo batari kugutekerezaho byiza cyane.
Train, right, crew.
Ya myitozo. Hakuno.
To the profound misdeeds.
Yari hano. Gerard ari gutanga ubuhamya.
Presided over the CEOs of Agnian.
Je nka CEO wa Agnian.
To be clear,
Miss Claire.
Well, I've been thinking that, you know what you remind me of, Noah?
Hari ikintu unyibukije Noah.
One of those wasps, I don't know.
Unyibukije ivubi.
The name you probably do.
Sinzi ukuntu baryita ariko wowe ushobora kubizi.
Lay their eggs in moth larvae and then they take over.
Ryavubi rigenda rigatera amagi yaryo ahantu harunze nk'ibyenda bajugunye.
From within.
Rigateramo amagi.
Ichneumon wasps?
Baryita Ichneumon wasps. Okay.
Chris Blake, he was the moth.
Marcus Blake uriya mugabo wishe nawe niko yarameze.
He killed everything Earth Revolution was. He perverted everything that Blake
wishe uriya mugabo w'inzirakarengane n'impinduramatwara yari yarazanye mu
fighting for.
You called me
just to
tell me that?
nawe wamwugamye mu
Those hostages, they must be close to waking up. I think it's time
ako ndakeka izo mfungu ufite zigiye kukanguka haraburaga.
they agreed the best way they can walk out.
waretse tukaba tuganira uburyo zirasohokamo.
40 minutes, we will walk out with them onto the coast.
mu minota 40 turasohokana nazo.
Which is that you are going to allow through the perimeter.
kandi muraza kuduhereza inzira dusohoka.
At which point we will drive 300
baza ngo turagenda tugere muri mayiro nka 300 tugere kuri St Thomas Street.
How did you behave? We'll release half the hostages.
niho turi bugere tukarekura imfungwa za mbere. hanyuma
let's not get ahead of ourselves now.
oya reka ibyo tube turetse kubigeraho buretse wowe.
I need assurances you'll release all of them.
nanjye ngomba kubanza kumenya neza kuri buze kuzirekura. turaza kuzirekura.
Once we're well clear of here and the truth
hano nitubirangiza ukuri kwagiye hanze.
To get clever will result in more bad headlines and dead bodies.
ndabizi amakuru araza kujya mu itangazamakuru y'imirambo n'iki byose.
In following cases such as that of Elena Lanza,
gutanga ubuhamya
were tacitly
kwishe Elena Lanza
but knowingly encouraged. We are guilty.
cya kiraduhama pe.
And that's a fucking wrap.
ebe hakuno ngeze hano hamwe umukobwa yakora yari yanditse SOS ntawe ugihari nabwo ari kumena ibyamenano sinzi bashobora kumusanga.
We're running out of time.
igihe kiri kudushirana Joey. igihe kiri kudushirana Joey. hakuno baje kureba ko umukobwa yapfuye bari kuza ari benshi do. gasani umukobwa yamenye idirishya ryanze kumeneka ibirahure bikomeye hari uwari mumeneye. Michael musaza we yaratabaye. umukobwa yari amaze kunanirwa. to
Oh my god.
mana yanjye.
Are you
umeze neza bro?
Not okay.
wapi
Pretty stressed.
ndumva afite stress.
Squeeze.
mfata mwana mfata.
first?
Yes.
wareka akaba ari guhaguruka mbere.
There's some crazy stuff going on.
hakuno muhobeye yamuhobeye mwana.
Hume, I'm inside.
namaze kugeramo indani boss.
Well done.
cyiza
Now
cyane.
get moving. They'll be coming.
ngaho ugenda bari kuza kumuhiga. banza yiyambura hakuno tangira urugamba sasa mu nyubako. baje kumuhiga n'abinyubako bayirimo.
She's alive. She's inside.
Fucking find her.
kobwa aracyari muzima kandi yageze mu nyubako. umuhige. fucking find her. umuhige. kujyana.
Come on.
ngwino. ziriya mfungwa se ziri hari.
Let them die.
ntabwo turi butume zipfa.
What about us?
twebwe si byacu.
Either.
natwe ntabwo turi buze gupfa.
What if we do?
nidupfa se.
Michael.
Michael mwibuke ifite ikibazo arwaye autisme. ikibazo arwaye autisme nyine aba ari akantu gato ariko ubusanga ibindi bintu byose ariko ugasanga kenshi ahubwo ni n'umuhanga. Michael mfite kugenda.
Scared, Joanna.
mfite ubwoba. nanjye mfite ubwoba mwana.
Stop not here. No.
ariko ntabwo twahagarara pana hano. Michael.
I need you.
ndagukeneye mwana.
Need me?
uranyeneye.
After some files, I need you to hack them.
no wonder ndabizi hari ibyandika ari guhiga biri muri ziriya mashini nshaka kumuhakinga.
Remember when the Avengers stole the Infinity Stones?
uribuka ba Avengers biba Infinity Stones y'amabuye bibaga. ubwo barebye filime yitwa Avengers Infinity War na Endgame murabyibuka y'amabuye ngibuye ry'igihe ibuye ry'ukuri biki ba Doctor Strange ba Thor nabande bose naba murabyibuka Captain Marvel n'ibiki.
Yes, they had to build a time machine.
ndabyibuka icyo gihe amabuye Thanos amaze kuyiba bubatse time machine isubira inyuma mu gihe ngo baje kuyamura.
Forget the time machine.
ibagirwa iby'iyo machine.
They steal the stones. Thanos goes crazy trying to get them back.
baragiye biba amabuye bamaze kuyamwiba Thanos arasara ashaka kuyasubirana.
We're gonna steal Noah's Infinity Stone.
natwe tugiye kwiba amabuye ya Noah's Infinity Stone. mwibuka uyu musore yigendanira ikinyundo nk'icya Thor. ubwo urumva filime za Marvel ziba zimwongoza.
You mean
files?
nyine ushaka kuvuga biriya byandika.
Files.
ziriya file ziriya document n'ibiki ubifate nk'ari ya mabuye ya Thanos. Thanos murabizi.
What would happen if you tried to interfere, didn't I, Claire?
My team's having
uribuka ibintu nakubwiye nugerageza kumvangira kuri
move, Noah, so if there's trouble
ekipe yanjye ntabwo iragera aho ngaho
on the inside, then it's
rero
outside
mwaho indani nta kibazo
our
ufite.
control.
You know Ignomon wasps? They have another name.
uribuka ya mavubi wari uri kumbwira gira irindi zina.
They're called Darwin wasps.
bayita Darwin wasps.
Darwin thought that a creature surviving through the
rero ni ibiremwa bizi kurokoka
destruction of another was
bikabanza bikavangira ibindi bikarokokera mu gupfa kw'ibindi.
It's the existence of God, as if man was brute enough.
kandi gushaka kwerekana yuko mundenze muri kuburanya iki kiremwa muri kuburanya Imana n'uburyo yaremyemo ibintu, kwerekana yuko jewe ikwangidu mugabagiye kwirasa kandi nirasa gapfa. bandi bose bari hano barapfa kubera kiriya saa yambaye.
But soon I'll have the truth and so will you.
ariko vuba cyane ndaza gutanga ukuri nawe urakumenya. Bike rero urabeho.
They just blink.
Man has no preordained right to exist.
Butabana ikiremwa muntu ntabwo gikwiriye kuba kuri iyi si. Tangira kuri ama speech uriya musore yagiye avuga cyane.
That we had our chance to exist in balance with nature and everything around us, and we
twakabaye tubaho tubana n'ibindi bintu byose nta na kimwe tubangamiye.
set it all on fire.
ariko byose twarabitwitse.
I think he did. He's gonna kill them all.
Genda cye kuri ya mugabo ntago ari bubarekura, arashaka kuza kubica bose. Hey! Mumbe hakuno mu nyubako. Simba hakuno. To. Joanna na musaza we. Joanna na musaza we hakuno.
Forget all of this. Can we do something together like a joust?
Mwana ibi nituramuka tuvuye hari hano sibyo? Basi wareka nje naye tukazakora ikintu kidushimishije. Ajya gutwara nako ntago nubwo twatwara ifarasi ngiye sinabishobora. Hakuno. Kiri muri ibyo. Hey! Unyubako. Cyano hano ntago nahakunze. Nabo ntago bahakunze humura. Hakuno. Hey! Cyari mu nyubako imwe. Kobwa hano. Kobwa ngo yari umusirikari. Guma hano bro, guma hano ndaje. Guma hano ndaje nkwereke. Hakuno. Hey! Kobwa baramubona azamuka hejuru ku muryango. Iso harimo hano. Sarimo hano umukobwa sinzi. Bunda. Chawe! Sateri kigabo! Isupana! Gutera hano ku bitsinga ku bintu by'ibitiyo bishyushye hano. Arabanza shiraho. Chawe! Aratabara Mike. Bajugunya ku ruhande. Fata imbunda. Faya! Wambera mutamu. Ko muvandimwe we nagwara mwico wa kabiri. Kobwa atangiye kubikorera amakazi. Shira hasi. Kureba abona grenade. Uyarasano. Wa mwuka ushushe nimbara umwuka nimbara amazi arari mwitiya twika umugore hariya. Muratse. Do. Joey. Yahoze ari umusirikare yakoze igisirikare imyaka 4. Muratse. Zinga. Baramudunda. Dunda umuntu. Dunda bene wanyu dunda ibici. Banza. Kira gutya. Aramukaraga. Shugunya hasi. Tamanuka todo. Mwana. Arabanza aramwipasa. Bayo hani yo mbunda ntayo ufata. Yafata imbunda. Gasani. Hey. Baramufite. Joey. Grenade vana mapini. Tapu. Tumurishano. Kirjo. Ego umusore w'umugome do. Pow. Tumurishano ngirjo. Shamukirahuri. Hey. Shamukirahuri. Babarumirwa. Byo ni ibikimwa.
So what now, great leader?
Noneho dukora iki se muyobozi w'igitanga?
The world where we came.
twereke isi ibyo dushoboye.
Coming off the Geralds.
I need 4 minutes to encrypt, then it's showtime.
Ndacyakeneye iminota 4 ni encrypting ibyo nkora.
Socials news, there won't be
imbuga nkoranyambaga zose nzinjiremo ibitangazamakuru.
feed, it doesn't hit.
Nta kitangazamakuru na kimwe kigaragaza amashusho kitari bube kiri gucaho ibyo nshaka
Hope it's worth it.
kandi ndakeka ari ngombwa do.
The entire world thinks you're a terrorist whack job.
You'll see.
Baraza kubibona Noah Santos abantu bari kumutuka ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Baraza kubibona bose. Kureba hano.
My name is Noah Santos, and by the time you see this,
Mazina yanjye banyita Noah Santos. Azara Simbogo.
myself and everyone in this building
Jewe n'abantu bose bari muri inyubako.
be dead.
Uje muri amubona iyi video turaba twapfuye iki. Kobwa ari uri gufasha Noah nawe bisa nk'atabiho.
Agni are guilty, like the
Ndakeka mwabonye ukuri Agnian bya biramuhamo.
countless other corporations that plunder our planet.
N'ibindi bigo bimeze nk'ikigo cyabo. Cyagize isi.
Give you this truth because you
kora ibyo ukora cyatukora se.
in the bodies that my cause was just.
Impamvu ndi gukora ibintu kugira mu gihe baraba bari kubara imirambo y'abantu bapfuye muze kumenya impamvu nabikoze.
Plague upon the earth.
Abantu mumeze nk'icyorezo cyateye iyi si.
Virus.
Muri virusi.
Fuck is this?
Ibi ni ibiki?
Destructive, rapacious,
Ibi ni ibiki?
Told you, true believers only.
Yeah, I truly believe you're a fucking psych.
Sinakubwiye ngo yasunika intebe hano. Tacaho. Tacaho. Hey. Fire. Bamutamo Z. Ni wa mu IT wabo. Nabwe bamutamo.
Come on.
Gwino.
They will be dead. You'll have seen the truth now.
Don't look at them.
They're guilty.
wireba imirambo Michael yigirira ikibazo ubwonko
True insanity in this context.
zana banza kupa ibintu byose bari kuri codinga bari kuri scriptinga bari kubiconnectinga kuri live stream je nagum
It's the truth.
ibintu ari kuvuga nge ndumva ruko
The human virus
isi ikeneye gukira
must be controlled.
igakira virusi ikiremwa muntu kiri
Because there is no
ndabizi ibyo ari kuvuga karukura ariko se biri
not with man in it.
iyi si igomba kuba nta muntu irimo
Extinction is inevitable, deserved,
kurimbuka kw'ikiremwa muntu
necessary.
ni ngombwa kandi birakenewe ya biriya byo ni bibi biriya byo ni bibi hakuno
So now we
Mike numu IT wa danje mwibuke twamuvanye no mu kigo
no quarter.
yabagamo bari kumushinza ngo ni umuhaka yarabahakinze abateza leta
Joanna, please. Don't rush me.
Joanna ndakwiyamye nawe ntunshyushye reka nkora akazi kanjye ibi ntabyo
To take up my crusade.
hakuno ganza gira ibyo agira
Light the fires around them and burn it all down.
ganza arabikupa byose arabikupa
The update is your plan's fucked.
amakuru ahari rero nuko umupango wawe tumaze
Got the
kuwangiza
evidence and your weird angry man YouTube run. Doesn't matter how many people.
nta hantu uri bubicisha habe no kuri YouTube yabe hehe
Told Noah. No one will ever know why.
abantu bose uri bwica ubu nta muntu uri bumenye impamvu wabishe
Psycho, the world will hate.
n'ubundi nawe uri igisazi nk'ibindi byose isi igiye kwanga
Such a badass.
mwana urarenze nawe urarenze you are such a badass fata akadisike hano kariho byose yashakaga kubyara
It's going to kill everyone.
agiye kwica abantu
We
bose
know.
turabizi
We're coming in and you
tugiye guhita twinjira humura
No.
mwe musohoke oya
got what he wants, he'll come after me.
je mfite icyo ashaka araza
Deal
kumpinga
with that switch, you get as many people out as you can. The control
mwe mugende mushaka ukuntu mutabara abandi bose nge ngiye gushaka uburyo muvana iriya switch yaturitse biriya bisasi iriya saa
empty, they won't see you coming.
hano muri control room nta muntu uhari ntago ari bubabone
Brother
mwinjira
down in the service lift.
ngiye kohereza uwo muvandimwe wanjye muri esanseri muhitamo mufata mu muvane hano nicyo cyonyine basaba uranyumva
Need you to take care of him.
umwiteho
It's a numbers game, right?
hano bimeze nk'aho ari imibare bari gukina ni umukino w'imibare
Do it, I will.
ndabyumva Joey ndabikora pe
Look,
byiza kandi amahirwe n'imigisha
to look after you, you're going to be okay, I promise, but you have to go.
What about
bagiye
you?
kuza kugutora uraza kumera neza hanyuma
As long as chasing me, they can save more people and you can get out.
wese ukana wara bari kunyirukankana
But you need me.
ariko
I'll be
urankeneye
right behind you.
toba nkuri inyuma mwana
Need you.
ndagukeneye mwana ntago nkeneye
You were right. I was
wavugaga ukuri
never there for you. I was.
sinigeze mpaba kubwawe mwana sinigeze
And I'm sorry.
No.
babarire mwana
You were right.
wavuze ukuri
It was always later.
iteka ryose nazaga nakererewe
This time I'm not gonna let you down.
kuri inshuro rero sindi buguterane bro oya wapi ifite ikibazo mu mutwe we ntago ababyumva Michael ndakwinginze kwinginze mwana weja muri essence umanuke hasi barahita bagufata abapolisi bagiye kuza hano wemanuka ebe
Bastard!
Kinyendaro!
You said you'd let us go!
Wavuze ngo ugiye kutureka tugende.
We're all going out the same way.
Navuze ngo twese turagenda mu buryo bumwe niko navuze. Hey!
Where are you, Joey?
Utility.
Uri Joey.
See if you can do better than the last 3 assholes you sent.
Ahubwo ngwino ndebe ko byibura urakora ikirenze icyo biriya bigoryi byawe bitatu wari wohereje mbere byakoze. Nawe hano genda n'ikinyundo nk'icyatora. Zamuka hejuru kumbe.
We get one chance, we get in there, get as many hostages as you can and get
Mugende mushake imfungwa muri bubashe kubona muzisohoremo.
Kill Noah Santos. Repeat.
Mutaza kwica Noah Santos igasubiramo.
Kill Noah Santos.
Nimumwice.
His pulse stops. It's
Kubera ko gutera k'umutima we n'ibihagarara. Iraba birangiye. Okay. Noah Santos nguyu do. Hakuno. Mu nyubako. Santos hakuno mu nyubako nawe. Hey. Kirano nta kintu bari kubona. Iyi! Ye! Akavera! Etse! Yambikwa akavera aramuzinga umukobwa n'indwanyi nziza yari umusirikare. Zinga umuntu, zinga umugabo, umuzinga, aramuzinga mwikunengaho. Faya! Banabo binjiye barasa. Swati yagezemo hano. Niba ita Swati niba atari Swati si. Shira hasi. Sa gufata imbunda hano atarayifata. Umugabo wa kabiri amugeraho. Jano mwana bimeze bite bro? Imwe! Kumbe hakuno abari gukanguka nibwo bari gukanguka. Haza gutegurira ibisasu niba bazi n'ukuntu babitegura. Ntagiye dusigaranye cyo gutegurira ibisasu bingana gutya boss. Bibirarenze. Kandi kimwe muri byo n'igituri. Inzu yose irahita ijya hasi. It's gonna bring down the whole building. Kobwano. Hey! Geze hano. Ikigabo cyicariye hano do. Kiri pause. Meze bite se wagwana?
Hey Joey.
Joey.
I really wish you could see what I see.
Nakifuje ko akabaye ubona ibyo mbona.
Nobody.
Isi itarimo umuntu n'umwe. Yaba ari nziza shaka.
Do you still want to end me? Go ahead. Look, I'll make it easy for you.
Shaka kundangiza sereka nkorohereza ibintu ntari bindangiza.
Come on.
Nisa. Bikore nyine ndangiza.
Do it.
Bikore.
Do it, Joey.
Bikore Joey. Korora hano tomoro. Mutera ingunguru. Let's. Abga byimbi kigabo ari kwikigabo. Maskire konto. Bakobwa barakazinga.
Nice, Joey. Finally.
Jesus, Joey.
And other people's interests above your own. Shame, though.
Nyuma nanyu mugashyira inyungu z'abandi bantu imbere yiza.
It's the wrong people not giving me the drive.
Do you think I'd be dumb enough to keep it on me? Fuck you!
Where the fuck is it?
It's gone.
Shame, though. It's the wrong people not giving me the drive.
Here is your disc. Here is your drive.
Keep it on me. Fuck you!
Check and ikigoryi cyo kwigumana.
It's gone.
Yagiye.
No one will ever know why you did this.
Nta muntu n'umwe uzigera amenya impamvu wakoze ibyo.
Just have to figure it out then.
Ubwo rero bagiye kubimenya itarirasa. Mudiha. Koma injegera. Uretse. Fatira hakuno. Ihombo. Gutera. Miranga ikigara kiniga. Kiniga. Jugunya hakurya injegera. njugunya hakurya ingegera uretse kobwa imbavu barazivuna bamunigana ipfuro baramuzinga zinga ishyano vayo hano agakobwa niwe uje wizanye ufatira ikirahure c'umugozi rugonda ihene hakuno kugahenebero afashwe n'urutsinga rumwe all fresh is glass byose bitoshye n'icyatsi ndakeye kuratsinzwe nimpfa n'ubundi nabariya barapfa yego oya fata igitoki kumbi saa mukobwa yayicyambuye arayambaye oya we tuzabonane nyuma Nowa tomuka agenda hoshi Nowa nuko bamumanuye Nowa nuko bamumanuye hakuno tayari polisi imefika ndani ya nyumba yarinji polisi yarinjiye namwe murabiziza birangiye muri filime hakuno bavanyeyo bo bavanayo amakuru yari atarajya hanze n'abasohotse nka tekawe bambaye aluminium sinzi nimba mubabonye gagari bazivanyeyo gutyo basohotse muri aluminium nguwo basohotse nk'agaceri ko muri mpuzamako makote Joey
Train wreck crew safe
Mike ariye umuvandimwe aratuje
good job up there
Beats cleaning windows.
koza akazi neza ariya mwana ngiye noza ibirahuri by'amazu
more debriefs go get some rest
rero mu gihe tukirindiriye andi mategeko n'amabwiriza agenda uruhu
and
hanyuma ikindi
the evidence that you took the higher ups are insisting
yine bya bimenyetso wafashe
hand it over
ntago wabima
this can all get processed through the correct channels
tukabishyira ku macano nyine
shame if after all that all those dirty little secrets
byaba ari umwanda ibi bintu biramutse bigiye hanze si byaba ari umwanda
Yeah, it would.
Okay.
Don't have it.
ntabyo mfite nta nibyo twigeze dufata
To make Noah bite.
icyo nashakaga ni Nowa sawa nanjye nibyo natekereza uri umuhanga mwana bari ibihe bimenyetso wakoze akazi keza iri joro Joe wirekeraho rero hanyuma se ziriya miliyoni 33 bari bankire kuri konti uraza kuzisubiza cyaze sha barabashutse nyuma y'akazi akoze ngarazisubiza akosha aje hano yicare hano Michael bro
Grace
keneye ko nguhobera se ngaho se sha ebe akuno
Got the drive?
ya disc urayifite ya drive ndayifite okay aha banayifite ni time nabo baba bafite biceri byinshi kubwira umuntu watamabanga yawe tugiye kuyashyira hanze ubyiyemere
The Earth Revolution leaks from the death of anti-humanist terrorist Noah Santos, the
ikindi cyatangiye guca mu itangazamakuru
corruption at the highest levels of
hari ibiwa bikomeye gukwirakwira hirya no hino k'abayobozi bo mu nzego zo hejuru baryaga ruswa hakuno kwereka za bank Barclays iriya ni bank ya dange ikibazo gisigaye ni kimwe
Will the ripples of this scandal change the course of the climate crisis?
ese ko kibi byabaye byose bishobora kuzazana impinduka mu ihinduka ry'ikirere cyabizaguma babikoramo business nk'uko byahoze na mbere icyo byarabaye ko byakabaye hano hantu ni heza mwana heza pe
Think they'll go to jail?
Cheka bazabafunga ndakeka bazabafunga
Think they will?
bazabafunge bari abajinga baryaga ruswa bakangiza iki hakuno yego mwana
Okay.
meze neza
Okay.
cyemeze birenze kuba neza ahubwo njyemeze neza cyane
The tower.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanos didn't just hunt down the Avengers
Infinity Stones.
Akoze ko ntigeze nkubwira buriya Thanos ntabwo yigeze ahiga ya mabuye yaba Avengers ya.
Steven Russo brothers, Kevin Feige, all Endgame justice.
That's been bugging you.
Look, I just...
Mwana ko kantu niko kari kukubanga. Reba mwana.
We were in an armed siege.
Twari turi mu nzu yatatswe twabikemuye. Nta kindi. No nama wo. Namya ko na filime yacu ari ukugenze. Bahitaga ngo iki? Cleaner cyangwa se kanyesuku ukora amasuku. Plant. Aririmbo kagira bukati. Icyo nagusabaga nuko ufata ikiganza. Ese urumva ari byinshi nagusabaga? Utinya hano hejuru ibyo ni vertigo. Washakaga urumuri ngo ubone show. Washakaga ikirori ariko utakeneye ko cyamuka. Watinyaga urukundo twese ntiturutinya. Nimba wumva uri muzima that's chemical. Wakumva ufite umutekano ibyo ukabyita imuhira. Ubundi iyi filime sirangiye ubu ngo musigare mwumva ko karirimbo. Naje dukomeze n'izindi zikurikiye. agasobanefilms.com ni website mwishyura abonema n'amafaranga makeya 7 ku kwezi, 2020 muri VIP, 4 ku cyumweru. Ubundi ukirira show. See you.